No, not him again.
A Bag of Drag just resubscribed for 32 months at tier 1. Too tired to find something to say, so boop bop 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 beepo bop bpo bpo bop.
Oh, hello everyone. Welcome in everybody. Welcome in. Hello. Who's excited to see me? I am. Not really. I see myself every day. It's fine. It's get a bit old after a while. But anyway, hi everyone. Happy Monday. We are back again. Maybe a whole week. Who knows? Anyway, we're here. We're doing the things. We're chatting. We're vibing. We're
Goodbye, cruel world. Goodbye.
saying bye to the cruel world. And yeah, maybe some balls as well. I say maybe. It will be balls. There will definitely be balls. So we've got balls for everybody. All the balls, all the balls. Also, my camera's working again, which is good. Look at those balls rolling. Look at those balls going in. Like stuff working. I do like stuff working. It's nice when it works. And there we are. Hi everyone. How's it going? Welcome in. It's a Monday. We're here. We're doing the things. Hello, Bite. Welcome in. Twitch has a cool update. It shows how I'm still one stream removed from the next stream, right where my points are. What's that mean? One stream removed from the next stream. I don't know what that stream streak. What, have you lost it? Anyway, hi everyone. Hopefully not. Anyway, welcome everybody. Welcome in. Happy Monday, or shit Monday. I don't know if I can know. Anyway. Hello everybody, welcome in. We are back again. I know it's been a few days since, almost a week actually. I think the last stream was Tuesday. So have you missed me, chat? Have you missed me? Have you missed his face? Have you missed his face, chat? You missed it. You missed it. Ah, thank you. I might have asked for that, but thank you. Crickets, thank you. Grumpy, shut up.
No.
Kim? I mean, it should be expected from you, shouldn't it? You and your ways. Anyway, hi everyone. It has been a while, I know. Hopefully this week will be a good week. I don't know. That's fine. I can find out. So far it's been all right. it's fine. it's fine. Which I think all we can hope for on a Monday. But anyway, welcome everybody. Welcome in. Yeah, I haven't streamed for a bit because I took Friday off because my camera wasn't working weekly. But I'm here now and it seems to be working, which is good. I probably would have fixed it, but like I was like an hour before stream and I really couldn't figure out what was going on, just wasn't connecting. But anyway, hey, thank you for being here, chat. I hope you're doing well. What have you been up to this last week? I think, actually. It's been a while. So what have you been up to? Anything fun, exciting? Anything you want to share with the world or just with chat? Feel free. Even if you're not doing good, share how you're doing. Thank you for the follow. Sorry for about this face. What the fuck is... All right. That's definitely a face. Still massive forehead. My eyes, which one? I got 8 eyes. 8 eyes going on.
Drinking,
Okay, microwave. You can see it. What a name.
A drink.
What a name.
Everyone else should, but you don't have to if you don't want to.
Yeah. Now, taking a screenshot of this lovely pose. There you go. Back to me again. Hi. Anyway. Hi, everyone. But anyway, how's it going, everyone? Nice screen space. Oh, nice, Grumpy. Nice. Pooh, thank you much for the hydration. Thank you. Yes. So I didn't stream Friday because my camera wasn't working for whatever reason. I don't know why it wasn't working. It just wasn't connecting. And it was very frustrating. So I couldn't really have much time. And Axel, I couldn't have much time to sort it out in before the stream. So I was like, you know what? I'd take it off. And I'm glad I did because I got to hang out with some friends, playing some games off stream, which is nice. And I fixed the camera, which is nice. So that's good. I don't know what was going on. It just didn't want to connect. Whatever I tried to do just would not connect whatever I wanted to do. And it took about a couple of hours to get sorted out. I think OBS did an update and just didn't like the camera. Why have I getting Discord messages? Why is my Discord making noises? Why is my Discord making noises for? I thought I had notifications off. Or noises at least anyway. Please this is not a request for you lot to DM me. Right? This is not a request for DM me. Why is my notification stream? No, it's not Streamloots. No, it's not Stream. I actually got a DM. It's not Streamloots. Disable notification sounds. There we go. Okay. Right, chat. Okay, now you can DM me. Okay, someone DM me on Discord. Well, I mean, not why I'm getting notifications, more why I'm making noises more than anything else. It's still making noise. Why is it making noise? Why are you making noise? Why is it making noise? Oh my god! Okay, I clearly didn't fix it. Give me a minute, chat. Give me a minute. The hell was going on? Disable noises. Thank you. Right. Okay. Try again. Keep trying. Just keep DMing me. Just spam it. Anyone. Okay. It's okay. I think it's fixed. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, Drag. Thank you very much. There we go. No, it wasn't Streamloots. That's the thing. It wasn't Streamloots. I thought it was because I always had notifications turned off. But no, it kept going off. I was like, I wish I got paid to get DMs. But anyway, hi everyone. Welcome in. Sorry about that slight thing there. But yes, I did stream Friday. Maybe because I was slightly burnt out, and also I couldn't get my camera working, and I wanted to see my face. I even did my makeup. I had everything going for Friday. Just didn't want to work. But anyway, we're back. Hoping for a good week this week. It started okay. It's Monday. You know, Mondays are Mondays. But it's there. Anyway, I'm going to catch up with chat. I've got a few things to catch up on. And everything else. I've already missed some messages already. But first, we have Bite Bitten, Wild Ride, Pingu, Midoriya, and Generic Glotter. I've just mixed your names up again. Generic Glitter Goth, one of the cool kids. Well done. A Drag with the 32 heckin' months. Too tired to find something to say, so bop, or as TTS said, bop, and BOP, because of course it decided to say how it says halfway through. And then also, thank you very much for the 15 stream streak. Welcome in. And everyone else, thank you very much for the follow as well. That's definitely a name. I'm not going to say the full name. But welcome in anyway. And then we've got Panda, welcome in Goth, welcome in Grumpy, welcome in Dean as well. Saw you there. There's the cat. It is not my fault if that gets stuck in your head. You can blame Grumpy. Grumpy redeemed it, so you can blame them. It's fine. But Goth, welcome in. Panda, welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in. Grumpy, welcome in. Bite Bitten, welcome in. Welcome in. Justigo, welcome in. Welcome in. Dean, welcome in. We have a duck now. Okay.
Quack, quack. I'm a duck.
There's a duck. Goodbye, duck. Goodbye, cruel world. Midoriya, welcome in. Pingu, welcome in. Drag, welcome in. Panda, welcome in.
Balls.
I have a lot of sounders, apparently. D-Boy, welcome in. D, welcome in. Wild Ride, welcome in. Welcome in. Demon Person, welcome in. Hope you're doing well. Welcome in, everybody. Drag, welcome in. Astro, welcome in. Doria, welcome in. Hope the rest of work's going okay. Welcome in, everybody. Drag, thank you for doing the soundboards earlier as well. We have Owens with a 15 stream streak. Right, so cool update. It shows you there's still one stream removed from the next stream. So what do you mean by removed from next stream? Did you say you lost it? Let me just scroll down a bit. Not lost it, but now we'll see the entire stream. I'm still one away from the next marker. Oh, it's just reminding you. Oh, okay. What's it do that for? Is it incentivize you to be the next stream? Not that it doesn't do that anyway. I to be fair, I don't really have much stream streaks because I never get a chance to watch everyone's streams. But does it show like a 2 out of 3 or whatever it is, like one away? Like honestly, you must know anyway. I don't know. Interesting. But anyway, I'm glad you haven't lost it. But welcome everybody. Welcome if I'm missing anyone. Please shout at me. All the stuff. I'm sorry for the 15 stream streak. Drag, really is a Monday, yeah. I'm tired after Wicked. Oh yeah, how was Wicked? How was your weekend, Drag? How was the drag end? That doesn't really work. Did weekend? No. How was the weekend? Grumpy, yes, fine. You know, I'll take that. Grumpy, I never expected you to say nice things about me, so it's fine. Kim, how dare you, but also hi. Welcome in, Kim, welcome in. Hun, look, hi everyone, love you all. Need to look for a bit because I need to study. One day you will not be studying and be glorious, but Hun, enjoy luck. Hope you see you soon. But welcome everybody, welcome in. Microwave, welcome in. Grumpy, first time running the Twitch app on my Fire tablet. Nice screen space distribution in portrait mode. Is that a good thing? Hopefully it's going all right. Axel, welcome in, Axel. How you doing? How's your Monday going? And how's your week been, chat? I've not seen you since Tuesday. So what you been up to? Anything interesting? What was the best thing that's happened this week? Drag, I had a nice moment today at band. We were working on Zombie by the Cranberries, good song, and we were less singers than usual, but I just heard while me and my friends were singing, damn, our voices fit well together. This sounds good. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Oh, I like that. Glad to hear that. Thanks for sharing. But no, Discord, it wasn't Streamlabs. I normally is. Like, I think, oh, that's Streamlabs playing. No, it wasn't. It was Discord decided, oh, I'm going to turn on notifications on for you again. I was like, I don't need that, thank you. I'm actually okay. I'm all right, actually. But just go welcome Astro. Why do we get notifications? No, your notifications. I don't know why. But yeah, if you want to do stream loots, there are loots. If you want to do loots to support me, there's many ones on there, and I make monies as well, which is nice. But do you now have a backup if tech starts acting up again? Yes and no. Like, I can get my phone to work. It's just welcome in, Foxwood Tacos. Can get a shout out for Fox. They did like a 12-hour stream and it was fun to watch. It sounded like you had a lot of fun. I was lurking in the background, but I said hi for a little bit, and then disappeared. Vampiro, you made it. Let's go. Welcome in, Vampiro. How you doing? Also, thank you for the 60 stream hacking streak. Thank you. It's going to be one of those days. I hope not, Astra. I hope not. I hope you're doing all right. Anyway, feel free to share if you want to, chat. I know 60 streams. Dean, some people. I think we've got a couple of 200s in the community. Nimki, Ella, Nimki. Also, Nimki, thank you for gifting a sub to Ollie earlier as well. Or Ellie, sorry, Ellie. Elliot, thank you for gifting a sub earlier. Neon as well. Welcome in. Chan, welcome in, Chan. We love our stream streaks in here. You really do, and I appreciate you being here every time. Okay, mobile app doesn't show redeem cooldowns. I hate it. I was waiting for that. Grumpy. Not that I really used the mobile app, but yeah, it's not great. Hello, Brie. Good to see you, Brie. How you doing? Drag, Wickle was really good. Mostly good translation. An amazing singer. Was really impressed by the ensemble as well as the main actors. Excellent. I'm glad to hear that. But that's what, your first time seeing it in theatre, I believe? Is that your first time ever seeing it? Or have you seen like TV or or the movie version? Well, not TV, but like shown on TV and stuff. But yeah, under my chat input, I see my waffle count switch around with 74 to out 75. I get to see that every time already if I pick a redeem. Oh, really? So it's just like, hey, remember to just don't miss the next stream. You don't want to miss the next stream. You don't. I mean, that's how it works, and it works for me most of the time. Fox, hello, Fox. Welcome in, Fox. Welcome in, Astro. Welcome in, Grumpy. Yeah, tablet in portrait mode has much more place for chat. I'm tempted to just mount it besides my monitor for chat only. That's not a bad idea. I know some streamers do that, actually. I have my chat in my OBS, but sometimes you can have just like a chat on like a different screen entirely, which is pretty cool. I would do that, but I need to get a third screen. Not that I would know where to put it. Maybe up there, but like... Yes, both me and Chan are over 200. That's what I thought. It was at least you. I knew it was at least 2 of you. I've not done a shout out in a while. Do I need an at? No, you don't. So there are two ways to do shout outs for mods. You can either do SMS1 SO and then at the person. So it'd be like Fox like that. So you can either do that one. Or if you want to do the Twitch way, / shout out as a full word, and then you just put their name. Like that, and it will do like an actual shout out in the chat just like that, so people can actually follow within the chat, which is pretty cool. Thank you for popping in. I got to properly yell at you. I know you did. You got to yell at me. I love that when streamers get to yell at me. I normally do it the other way around. But yeah, hope the 12 hours went all right. Hope you're feeling it afterwards. It's fucking wild. 12 hours, it goes so quickly, but also you really feel it as well. Drag, yeah, first time being set up in Norway as well. Seen the movie and heard quite a few of the songs. Oh, you saw you were. That's nice. I'm glad it went well. Beautiful. Thank you. No, all good. How dare I know, Fox? I know. I'm just a terrible person. But anyway, chat. I've already got my chat, so I guess not a lot has happened in people's weeks then. I guess. Anything else? Anyone want to share anything? Okay, you know what? I did fuck all last week. You weren't streaming, and I didn't know what to do with myself. You know, it made me feel better. I don't know. But yeah, I had last week. Well, not last week. I streamed Monday and Tuesday. I was meant to stream Friday, because I worked late on weekend. Because it was UFC in London. It was UFC, so I was covering that. But I took Friday off with my camera. Like, if I wasn't working Friday, I would have had things set up earlier, and I probably had time to set it up. But because I had a collab, I don't want to be messing around with that and stuff. But yeah, I know, right? But I think, you know, the cost of it makes sense. Like, your setup looks so good, but I'm like, God, that looks good. How much is that? About 15 grand. Like, all right, okay. Hello, Bite Size. You got to lurk. You can't lurk. You can't lurk. No. Bite Size, no. We've actually stopped lurking in this chat. Hello, Glitch. Yeah, we've actually stopped lurking in chat. Twitch doesn't like it anymore, chat. You're not actually allowed to lurk anymore. So, yeah. So, actually, we have to actually ban you. Yeah, every lurker gets spotlight. Yeah, I go through the whole list and shout and call out everyone. Just call out all lurkers. That's how you grow, chat. That's how you grow. You have to call out every single lurker. I think, was it Ninja? He did like some call. No, actually, you can't lurk. Actually, no, banned. Banned, delete the message. No, delete the message. Delete it. No, you can't lurk. No, delete the message. Delete the message. Oh, the power that I have. But yeah, I think it was Ninja. He did some like streaming course or something. Also, I don't know if people are actually lurking legitimately now, because I don't know if you're just doing it for the sake of it, because I said you can't. So I don't know if you are. But anyway, if you are lurking, Astro, have a good luck. But yeah, I think Ninja did like a streaming course a while back, like a couple of years, 2-3 years ago. And I think one of the things he said, it was about growing the channel. I think it was from the masterclass, like a lot of celebrities do that stuff. And I think one of the things he said was to call out lurkers, like actually thank them for being lurkers. I'm like, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Never do that. Never just call someone out randomly. They're probably not saying anything because they don't want. But you were joking. Okay. It's like, don't. Actually, is there a clip for that? Hang on. Ninja, call out lurkers. Call out lurkers. Video. There's a lot. Okay, there's clips reacting to it, but I can't find it. But yeah, it was like, oh yeah, to grow your channel, to thank people to being there, which I can understand to a certain point where you want to thank people who've taken the time to be here and stuff. I get that. But people lurk because they want to lurk. They don't want attention called to themselves. They don't want to be called out. They don't want to be the worst thing you want. It's happened to me a few times because my name gets said a lot. Hopefully good things, but I'm not always sure. Like, I'll be listening with my wireless or doing something else completely in my own world, going around making an edit or doing whatever, being busy. And then I hear the name Warwick. I'm like, what the fuck? What? What have I done? And suddenly I'm frozen. I'm like, shit. And it's like, okay, don't do that. Just don't do that. Just don't do that. Just don't go listen. Call. Just, it's not good advice. Anyways, anyway, that's my advice for you, chat. Anyway, I'm starting a course next week, actually, in April. For April 1st, actually, I'm going to start a streaming course, how to eat waffles and eat dice. It'd be £50 a month for the first 2 months, and then it'd be 60 quid. I don't know why that amount of money. Anyway, sorry, I missed some messages. Making a note to call out Fox attackers randomly. Yeah, please do. Please. Okay, the only person you can call out is Fox. Just randomly, just call them out. Call them out. It's fine. I did an event where I was doing the job of 3 people. But that doesn't surprise me. I feel like everything you've done in your life has been. There should be more people doing this, but I'm guessing you're good enough. But that's the thing. If you're good enough, they're like, oh,
no,
you can do more work. I'm like, no, just pay me more or get more staff. It was a long, tiring week, so I didn't do much besides surviving. I mean, you had a nice picture, just a guy. You posted a nice picture, so you know. I wish I could do like a buzz cut or like a short hair. I can't because I got big ears, and it doesn't look good. Also, not that I need more real estate as I have anyway. I don't need to emphasize even more so. It's like, oh, I've got a big fucking forehead going on, you know. Bye, size. Enjoy your leg. Appreciate you very much. Pingu. Well, I got a call back from a job interview. Okay. I'm officially in a relationship now. What, from the job? With the job? With the job? Is that, or is that all the things? Wait, hang on. I got a call back from the job interview. I'm officially in a relationship now. Met the friends of the new boyfriend for his housewarming party, but that's about it. That's about it, Pingu. That's about it. I'm guessing the two separate things. Not a relationship with your job. I mean, it depends what job it is. Have you missed me, chat? Have you missed me? Have you missed me? Have you missed me? Please say you missed me. It's not as fun doing this by myself. I'm just saying now and again, just like, oh, I want to feel something. just listen to myself. Pingu, I'm very happy for you. That's very exciting. Glad to hear that. Hope, where are you up with interviews? You just waiting for interviews?
My name is Warwick.
Yes, that is me. How are you doing, Audrey? Welcome in. Welcome in, Audrey. And Glitch, welcome in. Dean, I wonder if anyone knows a dragon I watched in London. Queera Lynn, absolutely amazing. An educational. Oh, you meant drag, not dragon. I mean drag. Maybe the dresses. I've not heard of them, Dean. I've not heard of them. I haven't been to a lot of drag shows. I need to get to some. But yeah, call out every single lurker mods, please. All right. Little Pooh, I can't stay because I'm working, unfortunately. No, you can't. You have to stay. You're stuck here now, Pooh. But I wish you all a wonderful stream. Love you guys and take care of yourselves. It's important. I know it's hard sometimes, but just know there are people here that care about you and would be sad to know you're not doing all right. Please take care of your body and mind. Anyway, love you all. Kisses. Pooh, you can't say that and just leave. You can't do that. You can't. Fuck you. No, fuck you, Pooh. Thank you for the kind words. Hope you're doing well. Pingu, well, we are rebellious, chaotic gremlins, so we are all going to look. Anyway, please don't all look. That actually hurt me a lot. Everyone just look. I'm like, wow, okay, what's something I said? Ace, I'm legitimately lurking. I didn't call you out. I wasn't. Ace, welcome in. Right, fun fact. Is it a fun fact? I assembled everything in the picture of the setup. I cut cost about in half compared to buying off the shelf system. Nicely worked. Nicely done. Do you mean you get more money for that? Do you get to pocket more of it? I'm loving Pingu's and Audrey's jokes in the Discord. They are some good jokes in Discord, by the way. But welcome, everybody. Good to have you here, Fox. I will leave immediately if I'm called out as a lurker. Yeah, exactly. I would not go. I would not be there. Like, okay, sometimes if I get my name called, it's sometimes because they're talking about the League of Legends character, because for some reason they're talking about that. I'm like, wait, no, that's not me. And sometimes it'd be like Nessie or, I had a good stream with Warwick the other day or whatever. And they'll be like, I heard my name. Hello. But no, most of the time it's fine. But yeah, if I've ever gone, so, oh, thank you, this, and I'm like, no, don't do that. No, that's the biggest thing you can turn off people is by calling them out if they've not said anything. Let people want to say hi or be in the background, it's fine. But Sassy, welcome and say, how you doing? Jessica, but if people lurk, they cannot be fully 100% always busy supporting you. How dare they breathe without that oxygen not supporting you and giving you money? You just a guy. No, not obviously sarcasm. Obviously 100% true. 100%. Where's my 100% support chat? Finger. Salty once called me out for lurking because I said something in chat like, I'm usually in here lurking. And Salty just said, I know, Pingu, I always see you in here. You are here almost every stream. Well, the thing is, right, you can technically see, like, on Mix It Up and also on the thing, you can see who's watching and stuff. And also the stream streaks obviously helps in a way, because if you do share, it's like, oh my God, you got like a 50 or 100. So you have been in stream, so you put two together. But if anyone does call it out, like Salty, like, there's only joking and stuff, you know. And I also know some of you like, oh, I'm sorry for lurking. I'm like, yeah, you should be sorry. Like, I've had enough of this bullshit. I mean, you should be sorry. Glitch, I tend to tune out my name. Too many games have glitches. That's a good point. Yeah, that's a good point. So after streamers will complain about glitch and then things like cubes or dice or stop that. And I didn't realize that command existed. What have I done? Yeah, that's normally my train of thought, isn't it? It's like, oh, I didn't know that command existed. And by the way, glitch, this save store is okay. But yeah, guess what happened with the company that cancelled my contract where I almost was doing the CTO job? Did they not exist anymore? Please tell me that. Finish that work, Fox. Enjoy your work. Enjoy your works. I missed you, Goff. I missed you. No one else. Just you, Goff. Just you, Goff. Hello, Audrey. Welcome in, Audrey. How are you doing? How's your week going? How's your day going? Ace, you got big ears. Well, send him to back to Noddy so you can get a buzz cut. I don't want a buzz cut. There are pictures of me when I was a lot younger with a buzz cut, and yeah, I look like fucking. It looks like fucking Noddy. It was no. I think on for holiday, I was like, I couldn't be bothered to do my hair, so I just did a buzz cut, and I'm like, oh, well, at least we know now never to do that again. So. You know, when you do the face swap today, you look like it ran out of color once you got to the neck level. To be fair, I'm not wearing, there's not a lot of color. Like, I do wear a lot of color. I wanted to wear, this is what I was meant to wear on Friday. I wanted to wear my Nine Inch Nails t-shirt, and I wanted to wear like a shirt because I like layers and stuff. And I was like, and I had this, and I was going to wear it, and I didn't. So I got changed back into basically my sweats or my hoodie, because it's still cool enough, not as in cold temperature, to wear it. Next couple of months is going to get warmer. I can't be able to wear it. It's fine. But Leah, I know there's not a lot of colour here. Like, it does seem like there's a lot going on here, and it's like just the colour gets drained. But yeah. I don't have a stuff command, actually. I still don't have a stuff command. Fucking hell!
Bitebitten just supported Warwick with £3 and said him not supporting 100 cent, him supporting 300 cent. Imma Pro.
Huh?
XD. What the heck?
Free.
Thank you so much.
Oh, wait. Free.
3.
Free. There we go. Thank you, TTS. TTS bit keep coffee. Thank you for that. What? You're not supporting me by supporting me. Thank you for not supporting me. I appreciate it. I will not use that money. Yeah, I miss you all the time. I got terrible aim. I'm right here. Pingu, had the interview. They are going to call me back sometime this week to tell me if I got the job. Would be an apprenticeship in July for a year. That's cool. Apprenticeships are good jobs because they can lead to like actual proper jobs. So that's awesome. So I don't know how to see who's in chat on mobile. No, you don't. Again, you don't need to see who's in chat. If you don't know how to do it, don't do it. Don't do it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it because especially if you're a streamer, like. You can get to like a habit of, oh God, this person used to support me. Where are they? They watching this stream and stuff. It's not worth it. People turn up if they want to start. If they want to be in the background, great. If not, that's great as well. Just, it's not worth it. All right. Little bit. I actually heard that Warwick. I actually heard that Warwick. I didn't left yet. I'm offended. Good. You should be offended. How dare you say nice things in my chat. Audrey, how am I? Well, Mondays are sure Monday in. I had 3 nights of bad sleep, had a very straining day, got some really bad financial news. My wife just woke up a really good 2-hour nap, so I take my wins where I get them. 2-hour naps, fucking valid, absolutely valid. So I do everything else to Audrey. Ace, Warwick, I'm sure you found better ways to turn off people. Thank you, Ace. You're always so sweet to me. Odin says hi. Hi, Odin. Welcome in. They have one main client left, and their client is looking for another service provider. Really? Like, I feel bad for everyone else who's working there. But like I worked at Starbucks years ago, and I was there for I think like 2 years or about a year and a half, and it was in Winchester. It's not there anymore. But I was manager, it's like my first manager role there, and they had a lot of issues because there was no management for a while. Like turnover was terrible, so I went in there, sorted things out and stuff. And I'm guessing the record still stands, but not anymore. But we did like the busiest week that store ever had. And it made and I'm not joking by the way, this is quite a few years ago now. I think in 1 week, this is the Starbucks, 32 grand in a week. 32 grand in a week. Wild. And I think that record still holds because after I left, because I was moving away, and also apparently there were some issues, the store closed within about 6 months afterwards. So not to say that I was the problem, but you know. I'm sad for the people, well, not everyone, because some people are fucking arseholes at that place, but I'm sad for people who maybe lost their jobs and stuff. But it's also sort of a bit like, oh, you know, when you sort of leave a job or you leave somewhere and you think, you go that, oh, you're going to regret not having me here, you know, you're going to fall apart. And then again, you realize they never really give a shit. But it's nice, sort of, maybe, so what I think is selfishly that you go, oh, actually, you weren't functioning without me. Oh, okay. Oh, well. Chad, I get much. I love how you play with words. It throws me off every time. I get much comfiness if I see my friends' group chat say Chan in IG, so I do not use it there. And I realize in a moment they'll be talking about some K-pop dude. That's sweet. That's sweet. Why? No luck is allowed. That's what the VOD channel on YouTube is for. Please get a watch time. Actually, no, I say that. We are actually good with the watch time on the VOD channel. It's the followers on there. Because I think we've actually got enough hours to make money, but we just need more followers on there. Main channel's fine. Main channel's doing all right. I got a new review going out on Friday. I've got 2 videos coming out this week, actually. Yeah, the VOD channel. Let me look. Yeah, let me have a look. Let me just make sure I show this without actually doxing myself. I think that's... Can I do that? Yes, I can. But I can't zoom in. Wait, what? You won't let me zoom in? What? Oh, there we go. There we go. Thank you. There we go. Whoop. Yeah, so under my VOD channel, which is this one here, 3,350 hours public watched in last year, which is actually really good for a VOD channel. That's pretty fucking good. So we're about less than 650 hours away from 4,000, which is the main goal. It's just the sub count. Like, we haven't got a lot of subs on there, which it makes it's a VOD channel. It's there to just collect my VODs because Twitch doesn't really hold them for me very long. So it's there to just store it because I try to hold it on a hard drive and they fill up very quickly. But yeah, like I think the first one's like 500. But yeah, we just need to get the followers. So yeah, if you do follow my main channel, follow the other channel as well. It's just where I store my VOD and also my highlights as well. So the highlight clips of various streams I put on here and stuff, and you can also see them early on Patreon as well if you are interested to support me there. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Main channel's doing all right. Making some money. Might actually get a paycheck from YouTube next month, which is quite nice. Which is actually all right. I actually make some decent money from ads actually, which is pretty interesting because Twitch I make fuck all. I make literally fuck all on Twitch, ads wise. So what was your message, By? I am not supporting 100 cent. I'm supporting 300 cent. I'm a pro. You are a pro. Thank you, By. I do appreciate the support. Thank you. What? You look cozy. I feel like we should be vibing out in someone's smoke-filled basement. This is my going out look. I like wearing layers. Even if it's really warm, I like wearing layers. I feel exposed if I just wear a t-shirt and stuff. So I like having layers, and this is where I like my sort of t-shirt shirt combo. I normally have like either like a plain t-shirt or like a simple design like this with like a checkered or like a patterned shirt. As you know, you've seen me on streams, like I wear like a vest and like one of my colourful shirts, and then I like that being able to sort of roll up my sleeves if I want to and stuff. But yeah, this is normally what I wear when I go out and stuff. But I felt cozy, but also stylish as well, you know. And it also makes the hair pop as well, which my roots are coming through. What I will say, my roots and my beard do match my shirt, you know. So, Sassy, I have an update. Ooh, D&D drama. So I'm not trying to make light of it, Sassy. I'm not trying to make light of it. I just, you know, it's how I am. I have an update for a D&D drama. Turns out my friend was one cancellation from leaving my group. It seems I'm responsible for their happiness because it's only time they get to socialize, even though 2 other players in my game are also their friends and live nearby. They're based in USA. I don't know them. I only know what you say, so I never want to judge people that can't or like defend themselves or through one person's words and stuff. But big old butts, they don't seem like a very nice person. If they're making their happiness your problem, that doesn't sound very nice. I dealt with people like that before, and it's not fun because it's like, okay, how you feel may be valid. It may not be right. You know, like your feelings always can be valid, doesn't make them always right. You know, if that makes sense. Like it might be valid to you, but not to like in grander scheme of things. The fact is, no one's happiness should be dictated by someone else. So I'm not going to be like, oh, I'm unhappy because someone else done this. I'm like, okay. You have the choices to do what you want to do. You do them, you know? And the fact is they can't understand that you're putting yourself first for a change and going, you know what, this isn't good for me, you know? And the fact is, yeah, exactly. Like you're saying, they got 2 friends who live nearby and in the USA. So I don't know what the problem is. I mean, I know what the problem is. They just what can make someone else's problem their problem, or make their problem someone else's problem. But I do hope you're doing okay, Sassy, out of all that. It sounds like it's been an ongoing thing and it seems to be never ending, but I hope you're doing okay outside of that. Ace, I know we don't do ages, but I have to share this. We discovered recently that the cinema near my mum does one of these daytime silver screenings for older people with free tea and cake. For people 55 and over, I'm not that far from qualified, which shocked us both. Honestly, if you think about it, it's like when you think back to like, oh yeah, you know, if you think of a movie that you watched you loved, not like a Disney or like a movie like a 90s. Like imagine like, oh yeah, this movie in the 90s, you know, some like comedy or something, and you think about, oh, 90s, oh, that was 45 years ago, you know. Not 45, I've skipped 10 years. 35, it's still a fucking long time. Sorry, I skipped 10 years. Sorry, it's now 2035. Sorry, fuck me. Just skipped a whole fucking decade. Yeah, it's wild to think. Because I think when you grow up, you think like certain ages, like 20, 30, 40, 50, like are miles away, like actually eons away. And then as you get older, you realise time goes quicker. And it's suddenly like, oh, I'm actually closer to this age than I am at this age. Or you've been out of school more years than you've been alive or whatever. It's fucking wild. But anyway, welcome to 2035, everybody. How's everyone doing? Hope you're doing well. My bones ache. It's been a long decade. It's been that long since I've been streaming last. I know, but that's cool. I know there's a few places near me that does that sort of stuff. I think it's dependent on the city or the town as well, like sort of the clientele, as it were, like depending on what they do. But it's nice that they do this sort of stuff. I know they do like kids screenings as well, where you can bring screaming kids to a movie. I'm like, I don't want that. If I got a kid and they're screaming, I don't want fucking 20 other kids screaming. Like, why would I want that? Exactly, Audrey, you said it well. Yeah, as long as you know you're not actually responsible for their unhappiness. Exactly. I hope you do. I know you probably know you're not responsible, but people will guilt trip others, and it's hard to not feel guilty at times, or you question, oh, maybe I did do something wrong. Doesn't seem like you did. That's from me anyway. I'm just a random person on the internet, so who the fuck do I know? Ace, that record probably will stand still because Starbucks has started paying tax now. I don't know. That was actually an ongoing thing. That was an ongoing thing with Starbucks. It was like they never paid their tax, and we actually had documentation about if any customers asked about Starbucks not paying tax. Actually, like a call sheet or like a cheat sheet, you know, like call centers and stuff, where they got like the script. We had like these FAQs, like, oh, if this customer asks about this, you can say this or direct them to this website. It was one of the main things going on. I mean, they paid a decent wage and they started my addiction to coffee, so I can't complain because I hated the stuff before Starbucks, but the job's a job, and to be fair, it didn't pay that badly actually. So no worries, Dean. Take care, Dean. I'll get in contact, Dean. I need to message you, but take care, Dean. Ashley, your hugs are always welcome, Glitch. Yes, they are. Yes, they are, Glitch. Yes, Glitch. Lurk, you need to do some tasks for a bit. Usually I just drop into a lurk, but all this talk about lurking makes me think it would be funny to use the lurk command to lurk for a change. Glitch, appreciate you. Hope the work goes all right. Chat, not comfiness, comfus. Oh, that's confused me, Chan. That confused me. I'm confused. I'm so adapted to Chan that I forgot that outside Twitch everyone calls me Amma. Again, I'm happy to call you Amma if you want Amma, but like, it's what I do. I will see someone's name and go, what word can I say? Oh, I know, Rose, New York miles per hour, or Audrey. I just go, you know what? The first one I see is Audrey. That's done. You know. Hello, Drifter. Welcome in. It suits you, and you can do cozy if you want. I'll definitely. I'm wearing sweats. I'm wearing sweats. My Udi. Not my Udi. My Udi's needs a wash. Thank God I got 2 of them. I actually got 3. I got my Twitch one, which isn't as good, but it's still pretty cool. Audrey. Oh, I like layers too. I like sleeveless vest, the Matt Mercer staple. And when I do wear sleeves in warm weather, cotton and linen are the way to go. Absolutely. And I like sleeves because I can roll them up if I want to. Or if I'm going outside, I can roll them down. You know, it's great. It's awesome. I see a name there. I don't know who that is, but hi. Audrey, I realised that lately I've been falling into a habit of letting my happiness be too affected by other people think of me. So I started giving myself a daily compliment. That's a good idea. It's hard to do because it can feel a bit weird giving yourself a compliment. It's like, well done, you did a good job today. I'm like, who the fuck are you? Go away, me. To get more control over my happiness back. Exactly. Good for you. I vote for
feel
kid
so
free
down,
shit.
I can barely even bring myself to follow the arrow that's pointing towards the
Welcome
smoothie
back,
bar.
Ems, but also hi, Ems. Welcome. I said hi before stream. Back to the Future. That was 40 years ago. Yeah, exactly. See, Back to the Future. Oh, that's a great movie. 40 years ago. I'm like, fuck. You're a pretty cool, rounded person on the internet. Well, I also am pretty cool. That's it. Pretty cool. Hey, just with the free stream streak, thank you very much. It's been a while. Thank you very much. Hey, so the old people thing, there was possibly a made-up Facebook post. I mean, when it's Facebook, it normally is, where someone said they showed their ID in a shop for alcohol or something, and the shop assistant seeing their date of birth said 1900s. Now, I don't want to disbelieve that, but it's Facebook, and also if it's ID 1900s, do they need ID? I don't know. Do they? I don't know. Discuss. Shut the fuck up, Grumpy. No need to rub the salt in the wounds. Get called out. Get called up at Ashton. Hello, fan. Good to see you. How you doing, fan? How you doing? Sassy, I'm doing good. Finally getting somewhere with my health and had the fun of a blood test today. Oh, what type of blood? Apparently you have to ask these questions. Or apparently doctors are meant to. As a D&D drummer, I explained politely but firmly that my health and mental health well-being is important just as much as anyone else's, and sometimes things like my game have to take a back seat. Fucking good for you, Sassy. You know what I mean. There we go. Hi, I've had a sleep. Ems, are you good? Good thing, good that I'd be sleepy enough to sleep later again. Good, I'm glad you had a sleep later on. By the way, Ems, how are you finding Assassin's Creed Shadows? Hope you're having fun with that. Did you have to re-download it or something? I saw a post or you messaged me or something? It's snowing. Does it normally snow? 1900s as in like us, born in 20th century, 19 something. Imagine being born. Is anyone still alive in 1800s? No, that'd be like, no. Is anyone? Maybe unofficially, but chat. No. Chat is fine. I just in particular group chat. I had a lot of K-pop loving friends, so they can just imagine when the first thing I see, usually half asleep in the morning, is Bang Chan. You're like, sorry, it's his name. That's someone's name, Bang Chang. You know what? Fair play. Probably means something completely different in the West. Here in the States, you have to be 40, 50 for them to not see ID, but haven't been carded in years. I know in the UK, you have to be 18. Yeah, 18 to buy cigarettes. Although I think they're trying to bring in a rule where every year the age goes up to basically phase it out. And alcohol is 18 to drink it and buy it. But they do something called Are You 25? Because trying to ID people close to that age is quite hard. So it's basically, and also people sometimes get funny about it. So they do like a challenge. I think it's challenge 25, where if you look under the age of 25, you will be asked for ID. I've been asked for ID a couple of times, and I was like, I've got a beard. I'm like, I hope someone who's under 18 doesn't look like this. I'm 21. What are you talking about? But I think it's challenge 25. I think they call it. But also, you will sometimes, unfortunately, you get people working in a retail shop who listen to like the warnings or the fine potentially a bit too much, so they start IDing everyone, and it's like no. You don't have to ID everyone. Like there will be some people you can look and go, yeah, I think you're okay, you know. But there are sometimes where people sort of take, because again, I think I don't know the same place, but I know in shops they're like, oh, if you sell anyone cigarettes or alcohol under the age and you didn't follow procedure, you could get fined as in yourself. So some people go, oh, okay, I'm going to ask every single person. And it's like, no. And I remember, I think I was working as a manager, and there was someone who got ID, and I had to be called out to sort it out because it was a mum and dad. No, it was a parent. I think it was a dad. It was a parent with a child. And they're doing a shop. And I think the cashier asked for both their IDs. And I don't want to laugh because I'm like, you're following your job, but also think of the context what's going on. They're doing a food shop. They're in Aldi. I think it was Aldi or Super Sainsbury's or whatever it was. You clearly got a guardian here who they're doing a shop. The kid clearly knows. It's not like they randomly just like, oh, yeah, I'm their child. Like, you know. And there's like, they're asking for ID for both of them. Oh, Streamlabs. Uh-oh. And I was like, you don't need to ask ID for both. I think we're okay. I think we're all right. I was like, you know what? If it comes back that the kid had the alcohol, that's on me. Nothing happened. Yeah, it's just like a little bit. It's just like common sense a little bit. Right, and the other annoying fact: the future in Back to the Future, already in a few years back. Isn't that wild? Isn't that wild that the future we already passed it? Like, what year was? Are we past Blade Runner year? Because aren't we? I'm pretty sure we're past. Wait, I think Alien's still in the future, isn't it? Or maybe. Can't remember, but I'm pretty sure we're in the future with Blade Runner, not the new Blade Runner or the latest Blade Runner. But I know there's either Blade Runner or Alien where we're actually further ahead in the years itself. Because when they thought these stories, they're like, oh yeah, 2030, that sounds like miles away. I'm like, oh, actually, it's not actually. There's a recently published book called Let Them. It emphasizes if you're worrying, what if they think X about me? Let them. It's not responsibility. And that is true. It's very true. Like, if people want to think stuff about you, let them. You know, you just do you. As long as you're true to yourself, there's not a lot you can do about it. Yes, you wish you could control people. You know, you want to control people's minds. Like, why don't you like me? But again, if you stop worrying about it, then you can cause yourself more harm. And to be fair, if they don't like you, why bother? Why try to change their minds? Like, you know what? Whatever. I'm good. Depending on jurisdiction, all purchases of alcohol might have to be carded. Oh, really? Oh, no, I think UK is just, I think it's just Challenge 25, unless it's changed. I've not worked in retail for years, so unless it's changed. That might be. If they have to ID everyone, then maybe that's a better way to do it, or they're scared of getting fined. Or gee, there's actually science to show that giving yourself a literal clap on the back works better than just mentally telling yourself. And giving yourself tiny compliments several times a day is good for your genuine mental health, genuine mental resilience. Tell yourself you're awesome for brushing your teeth. Give yourself that pat on the back for having 3 meals a day. You're awesome. Yes, have 3 meals a day or have 5. Chad, yeah, so there comes in the confusion because, like, love you guys, but can we not bang Chad this early in the morning? Chan, I really want to quote that out of context. I don't know if that looks good or not. Ems, yeah, I had to re-download it 3 times for some reason. Ubisoft Connect stopped recognizing it downloaded if there was not the same disc for some odd reason. Disc? Then my PC struggled, but I cleaned it with air dust and voila! Runs perfectly, but I lost my save file. No, you lost your file. That sucks. I want to hear that, Ems. I want to hear that. Ace, 18 for alcohol. I remember before how if they looked at you and they hit the button that says clearly over 25, yeah, that's the other humbling thing is when they don't even question, they just go, yeah, that's fine. I'm like, can you not pretend that I'm under 25 or under 21 or whatever your ID you're doing? Yeah, I've been to places that both Hoots and I had to show ID before they sell us alcohol. Oh, really? Maybe they've changed it. Maybe it's better. I don't know. And still need to show my ID all the time and just taking it as a compliment. Yeah, take a compliment. Absolutely. No one asks for my ID. I mean, I don't buy alcohol or cigarettes, so. Drag. There's also the check everyone under 25 here as well. Here, like beer, wine, cider, alcohols with a not too high percentage is 18 plus. Stronger. Oh, you actually have a different level. I think it's just blanket 18 alcohol wise. Stronger stuff is 20 plus, so people are able to drink for 2 years before they can drink vodka. Oh, I don't think we have that. Again, I've not drunk for a while. I've not really bought alcohol for a while. I had a full beard at the age of 16. I bought along a suit to a class trip to York, and I wasn't carded anywhere. Fan. Love it. Bet you were the most popular kid in that whole trip. I almost never actually drink, but if I buy alcohol-free cider, it demands an age check. Yeah, why does alcohol-free alcohol need an age check? Is it because there's still technically a bit of alcohol in it, or is it because people don't know what it is? Oh, Alien. Okay, Alien was fine. Alien was in 21, 22. Okay, was it Blade Runner then? Blade Runner year set 2032. So we haven't quite hit Blade Runner universe yet. But yeah. Oh no, sorry, no, that was the second one. No, we are. It was 2019 was the first Blade Runner. The film was set in dystopian future Los Angeles of 2019. 6 years ago. Where's all our flying ships and spaceships, everybody? And our cyborgs and our electric sheep. By the way, has anyone read the book? The book's good. Different, but it's good. Also, the audiobook's really good. Oh, ID checks are fine. My friend once got ID because I was with her and I looked too young. I can get it, but like with my situation, it was clearly a parent with their child doing a food shop in a supermarket. It's just like maybe just common sense a little bit. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe that's why I'm never in retail anymore. I mean, I'd never want to be in retail. Fuck. Gotta keep the options open, I guess. I mean, you deserve to have some time off, but I never expect it in that way. Yeah, chat never takes time off. Ace, I think we're finally past a point where someone says, e.g. 1980, and your brain automatically thinks, oh, 20 years ago. Oh, no, I still think 20 years ago. But now it's like, oh, no, that's 45 years ago. Oh, okay. Alien is 2021, 22, and prequel should be 2090-ish. So we're still, okay, that's fine. But I think it was Blade Runner, it was 2019. RuPaul has a lyric, if they ain't paying your bills, pay them bitches no mind. Oh, that's a good quote. Good quote from RuPaul. Bang Chan is one of the members of Stray Kids, but they just hit his stage name. Oh, that's his stage name. I don't remember what his actual name is. Oh, okay. It's probably something a bit you can't quote or say properly. Not that I can say it either. You can quote it out of context. I want to quote it out of context. Han's popping back for the lurk. Ubisoft Connect downloaded on my C disc, but AC on my F does. Oh, now they're on the same one. Oh, God, why do Ubisoft and EA have their own browse like things? It's so painful. It's such a pain in the ass. Sequest DSV took place in 2018. Really? Well, that's depressing. Philip K. Dick is excellent. Really? I honestly think so. I really, really think so. It's always interesting when I get a random link from Byte and I just click it. An 101-year-old woman keeps getting mistaken for a baby on flights and says it's because American Airlines booking system can't handle her age. Oh, not because she looks like it. Okay. I was a bit confused. I was like, wait, she looks like a baby? That's weird. No, apparently, putting this article just here. There's this lady who birthday's in 1922, but apparently American Airlines, never used them, but I'm guessing they're not great, computer keeps thinking it's 2022. Airlines have increasingly adopted computerization across systems, but errors have caused serious disruptions. How old is this account? How old is this article? 10 months ago? Oh my God, all right. That's a funny line. But she said it wasn't the first time American Airlines had mistaken her for a baby. I mean, if they could charge you for a baby, just fucking... Well, no, because you wouldn't be right with your passport, I guess, wouldn't it? The computers at the airport thought my birthday was 2022, not 1922. During a previous trip, the BBC reported the glitch... Who are you? The glitch meant that airport staff met Patricia after a flight without a pre-arranged wheelchair, thinking that they would just transport a baby through the terminal. I shouldn't laugh because that's really bad, but that's fucking funny. Thinking that they would just get transport a baby through the terminal. Oh, that's so... They... American didn't immediately respond to a request for comments. That's so funny. So wait, so they asked for a pre-arranged wheelchair, but nah, your baby don't need one. What? If you book one, you pre-arrange one, you just fucking... transport baby. Yeah, just transport baby. Just carry it. It's fine.
I reject your reality and substitute.
Hi, Rainy. I'm sorry, whoever was it. Patricia? Sorry, Patricia. I wasn't laughing at just the whole situation. That's fucking funny. That's really funny. Just thinking, just like carry this 100-year-old woman through the fucking airline. Oh, goodness me. Thanks for that laugh. Appreciate it. There's also several interviews with RuPaul where he says, what other people think of me is none of my business. Absolutely. I mean, sometimes money helps. Not I need to think about what people think about you as well. But yeah, the point still stands. It's probably because the tills are set to age check by product category, so alcohol-free goods inside it. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, so it's probably come with a big alert going, you have to ID. Yeah. We have does anyone have, do you have ID for energy drinks? We have that in UK, 16 or over, you have to be 16 or over for energy drinks, but there's ID'd. And I read The Man in the High Castle 25 years ago, but didn't read Electric Sheep until 5 years ago. I didn't read Electric Sheep till fairly, about 3 or 4 years ago. I haven't read High Castle yet. I want to read High Castle. Also, Johnny Mnemonic took place in 2021. Really? Fucking hell. Fucking time. At least the Mass Effect games are set in the next century. It just makes me sad that I never meet Tally. I mean, you might meet Tally. You never know. You never know what's going to happen. Thank you, Bite. Thank you for DMing me that. Audrey, in the Netherlands, we used to have 2 different age rates for alcohol. Low alcohol like beers was 16 plus. Everything else was 18 plus. Now, everything is 18 plus. But when we switched, there was kids that were allowed to have beer legally for a year, and suddenly they weren't for a whole year. I think they did that with cigarettes, because I think cigarettes years ago was 16 plus, and then it went straight to 18 plus. And so I think, not that people should smoke because it's bad for you, obviously, but like I think we had that where it was like that transition where some people were able to smoke for like a year, but then couldn't because they were within that age range or something. But yeah, I think they're trying to bring in a law where each year the legal requirement or legal age for smoking is increased to get to a point where it just phases everyone out unless you're really old. Actually, Bang Chan's real name is Christopher. Oh, what a nice name! Good old name, Christopher. I like that. Glitch does have power, yeah. Ace, is this how we bring down the stream? We send Warwick random links knowing they will click on them on stream. Yeah, basically, pretty much, Ace. Pretty much. I will click most things. I click most things. Hi, Rainy, welcome, Rome. Just got back from the doctor's appointment, which I booked a week ago. So, of course, my complete worst in doctor's office self was feeling sorry for myself and panicking all week. And I can finally relax. Maybe treat myself to some Pokemon cards as a treat because that's a hobby of mine as a Tuesday. Oh, nice! Unlucky. Oh, actually, wait. Good luck, Rainy. All I'm saying, good luck with Pokemon cards because I know how bad it is out there. The scrabbers are horrible. But I'm well done for the doctor's appointment. Well, I hope everything's all looking good. Oh no, second Mountain Dew has been giving me the hiccups. Damn it. You need a third one, Giff.
You need a third one, Goff. Pingu, new development for the evening. I just sprained my ankle falling down the stairs. My mum just looked at me. I'm getting the crutches, like very matter of. Oh, Pingu.
But yeah, I hope you're doing all right. Hope you're looking after yourself, but it seems like you're not. But I hope you're resting up. Yeah, we just passed it, fam. We just passed it. Some stores have got 16, some have got 18 energy drinks. Oh, really? Interesting. Yeah, hang on. I think it's all 16 here. Legal age to buy energy drinks, UK. Oh, sorry, it's not legal. Okay, there's no legal age restriction, but many larger retailers and supermarkets have voluntarily stopped selling them to under 16s. So it's not officially in the law, but basically it's encouraged, basically. Yeah, I've been told. You've been told that, Rainy. Oh, I just got a splinter. Rainy, what is you? Chat, are you okay? Chat, are you okay? Everyone just hurting themselves. Stop hurting yourself, chat. I mean, you can if you want to do what you want. It's fine. Anyway, no, okay, fine. Okay, fine. I'm not sure if we want to. Okay, I'm not the how-do person. We are not okay. Clearly, yeah. I was actually just stay put. Don't go anywhere. Safe. That's why I never leave my house. Although saying that, I am house sitting this week. I'm gonna be house sitting for a friend. They're going away for a few days, so I look after their cat. So I'm gonna be doing some stuff. You're not how to basic? Yeah, I don't know. I just stopped halfway saying something. Drag is fine. That happened last week. I sat down, my hips nearly popped out of my socket, bringing my hypermobility to pre-teen levels. Oh, you must have felt really young. Sorry, Audrey. You got to laugh. Otherwise you don't. What is going on? Is it self-harm day? Apparently so. You may demand pictures. I will have pictures. I will have many pictures. Don't worry. But yeah, I've got like a whole calendar of like when I'm working, when I'm over there, when I'm back here, because I'll still be streaming on Thursday and Saturday here. So I'm not going to move my whole setup because that'd just be too much work. And I forget, like, I know, I'll be like, okay, let's remember where everything is, move it, and something will break or something will happen. So I'm doing D&D at my friend's house because it's only on mic, so that'd be fun. And then the stream is going to be here Thursday and Saturday. But for the rest of it, I'm going to be there. So I'll be able to do my day job there with the kitty cat. But there'll be pictures, there'll be videos. There might even be a cat on the D&D on Wednesday morning. But yeah, we'll be spamming. Yeah, it's been okay even as possibly at this point. I'm okay. I think okay is doable. I hope it's okay anyway. Orgy. Oh, is it hyper mobility that makes it so I need to show my ID all the time? Yeah, it might be. That they need to be do that here. Maybe they want that way when the kids get to college, they'll be doing better than living on caffeine and spite like that. Spite, caffeine and spite. No, never outlaw spite. Never outlaw spite. We need spite all the time. We need spite all the fucking time. Anyway, I haven't got much to update really, chat. I live a boring life. I mean, I don't really live a boring life. I just live a life of pain. Well, not physically, but like mentally, it's fine. But yeah. And burnout. Burnout's fun, although it's getting there. It's getting there. Continuation rise in the smoking age was proposed on the UK Conservatives, but who didn't get re-elected. The Labour government are going to do it in theory sometime in the next 5 years. Yeah, I think some of the laws they're still carrying on, but it's going to take a while to actually implement, or they're going to try and change it in a way that sounds like it's Labour's idea and not Conservatives. Same with the abolition of the Section 21, which is no fault eviction, where legally landlords after a contract can just say, hey, we're kicking you out for no reason whatsoever. Don't give a single reason. And that's what I had when I lived in Nottingham. And they're trying to abolish that, and it's still ongoing, which is fun. I cannot read. I misread Orgy's messages as homobility. You can see myself out, Chan. Great. Okay, Splinter has been dealt with. I got some Savlon, and I live to fight another day. Let's go. Fucking Splinters are the worst. Hello, Ali. Good to see you, Ali. Welcome in. Makes me actually happy to have my wheelchair. Good. At least you didn't book anything with American Airlines, Orgy. You might think you're a baby. Didn't need one. Glitch. Fun fact. For these dark times, spite and determination got Sam and Frodo through their quest more than an upbeat, positive, can-do attitude. Absolutely. I fucking live on spite. Keeps me going every single day, chat. I'm like, no, I'll keep going despite everyone else. They really are. It was right in my fingertip. Oh, I hate that. I hate that. I hate that. I hate when you get a little tiny one. You can't see it. Like, where the fuck is it? But you know it's there. You know it's there. Oh, I'm looking forward to the weather improving so I can take rise in the sun and not feel locked inside. That's a good thing about the weather changing, because it should be summer. Oh, no, sorry, spring soon. Technically, it's spring now, but the change clocks. Oh, go back. I'm so happy.
_SS just cheered 100 bits. Cheer 100 inches, no stresso, no need to be depresso, Tommy Cash. Iron Mouse Saber Dance.
M's 100 bits. That's a good one. I like that. The clocks go forward on Sunday. I'm actually really happy about it because it's been so fucking confusing trying to work things out. Chat. I know for some of you, clocks have already changed, so my streams are technically later than by an hour. So I know some of you, I'll be back to my actual time. But honestly, I've done a review. This comes out on Thursday. And again, they put the incorrect time zones. So I had this with Wonder Stop, that cozy game, that T game, where they put like an embargo. So, oh, here's an embargo, because if you don't know, there's certain products and certain reviews where you have an embargo. You get the product in advance, you can make content, and you have it already ready to go. That's why if you ever see like IGN or big companies, like how do they... The game's just come out. How have they already done a review on it? Because they get it like weeks in advance. I don't have as much say in certain games because I'm a content creator rather than just a reviewer. But sometimes I get games in advance and I get to review, have it ready to go when it comes out. And I did it with Wonder Stop. And I wish I checked before. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It's done fine. It's doing all right. And because of the time change in America, but not everywhere else, they had the different wrong time zone. So it actually went out an hour earlier than what they actually put. And again, it happened to another review. So I got one called Calm of the Dark World, that comes out on Thursday morning. I'm not going to show you because obviously the stuff I show is embargoed, obviously. Email sponsors or reviews. There we go. Thank you. And this isn't a call out to anyone in particular, but they put this. And can you just tell me what's wrong with this? Tell me what's wrong with that. Just tell me what's wrong with that, please, chat. Just tell me what's wrong with that. What I put in chat. I'll pin it as well so you can see it. There we go. Tell me what's wrong with that. I'm sure glad I have Sundays off work and that my phone updates the time automatically. Oh my God. I still double check every time. No, not D. No, DNS is fine. DNS is fine. That's no, that's fine. DNS is fine. That's fine. So I actually prefer people putting just PT, because if they put PST or PDT, it means different things. I like them just putting PT because it's like, oh, just PT and it translates. That's not the issue. That's not the issue. I'm sure glad. I mean, there could be an issue if they put PST. If they put PST, it might make more sense, or PTT. Nope, PTSD. That's fucking time zones give me PTSD. Thank you, fan. I love the Eurovision song. It's called Espresso Macchiato. Is that the Espresso Macchiato? I have to check it out. Yeah. I thought CEST was on until Sunday, Audrey. I thought it was until Sunday. But 27th was on Thursday. Oh, that's it. Oh, is that summertime? Oh, is it? Okay, well, that's wrong anyway. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's fine. Now it's CET. Oh, Oh. No, not AMP. No, that's all fine. AM, PM, no, 11 a.m. GMT is technically right. 12 p.m., even though it's CEST, is still technically right. Yes, Panda's right. 3 a.m. PT is 10 a.m. GMT. Oh, okay. Okay. Two things wrong. Doesn't matter. Anyway, no. 3 a.m. PT is 10 a.m. GMT. So I look at that, I go, oh, goes out at 11 a.m. embargo. Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, that's another thing. That's not the thing I'm thinking about. The other thing is 11 a.m. GMT is 4 p.m. PT if they're talking PDT. Yeah. It would normally be 11. Yes, it would be normally 11. Absolutely. But it's not with the time change. And so I emailed them. And the reply went, yes, that's right. I can confirm it's 4 a.m. PT. I'm like, no. It's not 4. I was like, okay, that's fine. But on your review, it says 3 a.m. PT. And they went, oh, God, I need more coffee. You're 100%, 1,000% right. It's 3 a.m. PT. I was like, so it is 3 a.m. PT, which means it's 10 a.m. GMT. I don't do well time zones. All right. But it's just, it makes it, because when you have to try to follow embargo, I'm like, okay, do I either have my review an hour late or an hour early? You know? And it's just like so confusing. Like, I understand because time is confusing with the clocks changing some places than others, but I've had it twice with 2 reviews. Bandit, I like it. And so I was just like, I'll just double check. So it comes out 10 a.m. my time. Time Buddy is the fucking best. Like, yes, there's Discord, you got Hammer Time or other ones, but Time Buddy is the fucking best. Because Time Buddy is, I mean, if you log in with like a Gmail account or whatever, it is free and it just saves. It just saves. Oh, it is CET. That's right. I didn't even check that. Anyway, let me force document. There we go. Time Buddy is such a good thing. Like, oh God, that somehow looks worse on dark mode. What can I put it in? Is that dark mode? Oh, I don't know why it does that with dark mode. What's it do? That looks terrible. Anyway, fine. We'll have light mode. Anyway, you can have it where you sign in, blah, blah, blah. And you have London and you have you can add different time zones. So ISE, EDT, PDT, CET, and CDT. So I go, 7 p.m. my time, which is 3 p.m. ET, 12 p.m. PT, CET is 8 p.m., CDT is 2 p.m., you know? And you go, oh, okay, let me go to the 29th or the 30th. Look, clocks change from midnight to 2 a.m. And you go, oh, okay, so then next Monday, next Monday, 7 p.m. London time or British time, which is now going to be BST. Yeah, BST, it'd be BST. It's British Summer Time. EDT, PDT, CET, CDT. But yeah, it's just frustrating because I follow embargoes, and if you break them, that can really like harm your brand because people they won't work with you again and stuff. But also, you want to make sure that your stuff goes out on an embargo, because if your stuff goes out an hour or a couple of hours after everyone else, you're going to lose that traction. And I missed out a little bit with Wonderstop because it went out an hour later than the embargo, which is slightly annoying. Like, it's done fine. Like, it's got wrong channel grommet. Like, it's got 1,100 views, so 1,100 views, which is pretty good for videos. That's pretty good. It could have done a lot better if it came out on an embargo, you know, potentially. But who's to say? Who's to say? But anyway, yeah, it's just, I'm just glad. Yes, we were missing an hour. I'm not happy about that, but I'm just glad that times will be back to normal somewhat again. Honestly, it's times I can just suck some hairy donkey balls because, please, I'm not too done for this. I know, like, the fact is we have to change for daylights and stuff is one thing, but then different countries do it different places, and it just makes, and it's like, if we have to do it, can we just do it at the same fucking time? Or not do it, just don't do it. But friend time is a little over jealous, so, OG, in a different time, Discord server, they had a bot called Friend Time, where we react with a clock under the message that mentions the time, and if you react with the clock too, you get a DM with that time zone. Yeah, I tried that for a little bit. I didn't really like it. It didn't seem to work as well. But friend time was a little over jealous, so when you talk about how you were on hold for 35 minutes, it will also react. Yeah, it took any point of like time management in any circumstance, and it's like, oh, it's my time. Like, no, you're good, bot. You're good. Did I have a storm yesterday? I didn't know my internet. No, I didn't have a storm, but my power went out this morning. It just went. It just completely went. Just went completely gone. No fuses. And then I got like a text from my doctor saying, "Oh, our phone lines have gone down. So if you need us, please come to the surgery." Not me personally, just as an overall thing. So I think it affected a few places in the area, but it was down for like 5 minutes. I couldn't even send a text out to tell my bosses that, hey, my power's gone. I can't edit any pictures at the moment. So I don't know if it affected the area. It was very odd. Like, I tried to connect to 4G, and 4G was not connecting at all. As far as I know, we could have a storm, but I normally sleep through them, so I have no idea. But we lost some power this morning. No fuses got affected, thankfully. No, just enjoy watching up. My watch has been bitching at me that time zones have been updated and will update the next time you restart your phone. I just restarted my phone yesterday, so Samsung, please explain why I have that alert again this morning, because they're getting you prepared for other time zones next week or this week. Hello, Raji, welcome in. Yos, bonjour, hello, welcome in. Salam, hey, bonjour, hello, Raji, welcome in. I can't work tomorrow because of the internet. Really? That sucks. I hate how reliant we are on the internet. Yeah, this Discord server now has a feud between the pro friend timers and anti-friend timers, and there's emotes for it and everything. That's quite funny. That's actually quite funny. I like that. The Discord bot Yag can do time zones and will post time in your area when you post a time, which is why I spell out times. Oh, really? Now, I like what we do because you just look at the text and it just shows your time. So when you go to like the schedule or even events, it will show you local time zone. It's just so much easier. And I wish more people used it. But yeah, anyway, what's happened to me? I fucking know. Wait, what? Don't your telecos have emergency mode on cell phones? In Netherlands, towers have battery backpack and switch back to GSM so you can emergency calls and text. I have no idea. All I know is for those 5 minutes my power went out, had zero connection with my phone. I could not even send a text message or even SMS. SMS, whatever the texts are called. I couldn't even send that out, so I have no idea. Probably not. It's Britain. Who fucking knows? I have really bad brain fog and can never remember how to do it. SMS, thank you. I mean, I've been suffering from brain fog since I got fucking COVID like 2-3 years ago, so it's fine. That sucks, Ali. I'm sorry to hear that. I hate how reliant we are on the internet. Short message system service. Thank you. That's what it's called. There we go. Yeah, nothing's really happened. Well, things have happened. Life is life in.
Ronnie
Ooh,
the
Rainy.
Cyborg has asked the book, should I reward myself for going to the doctors and agreeing to a pretty scary stabby test by buying Pokemon cards?
Why did it pause before the word pretty? New or old book? MMS if you send pictures. Do you remember anyone who remember MMS you had to pay for sending a picture? Audrey, something might have happened to back up like what happened at Heathrow. Yeah, maybe. It might be in Heathrow. I'm not near Heathrow, but I don't think so. Maybe. Could be. Old. A classic. As I say, classic for a reason, but not so much. Not much I can do about that. Is there like a local library you can go to, Ali? Or anything? Yeah, we'll do that. Or is that not possible? I still remember it's 31 cents per text. Yeah, I remember having, like, you get text message, like amount of text messages on like a phone plan. I remember when you had to wait until 7 p.m. to talk to people. Yeah, you had like weekend calls, free weekend calls. You had to wait till a certain amount of time. Oh, internet. Anyway, Rainy, say stop. You want me to stop? Stop. Right. Hi. Rainy has asked, what was this right for? Pay as you go. God, pay as you go. Rainy has asked, should they reward themselves for going to the doctors and agreeing to a pretty scary stabby test by buying Pokemon cards? You know, allowed to contract phones as a kid. Yeah, it's always pay as you go. They never last very long. And your parents always go, why have you spent so much money? I'm like, because it's pay as you go. What else do you want? I'm a child. Fucking, I don't know what you want from me. Anyway, Rennie has asked this question. I'm going to find out what it says. So, should Rennie spend money on Pokemon cards? And the answer, fucking wrong button, may surprise you. Heh. What? Get a clear review. What the fuck's a clear review? Is that, wait. Is that asking the new book? Is that asking the new book? Get advice from someone else. I don't fucking know. Well, not hear me, but they see the chat with possible deal, so it won't be. Oh, okay, Ali, fair. I'm sorry to hear that. Clean glasses? Yeah, maybe clean your glasses first. Clean your bank account? I don't know. Right. That means do research and make sure I'm not getting Wade Pack. Oh, there we go. Good enough. There we go. Fucking let's go. Good enough. Don't look through the display. Buy them and hold them in your hand. There we go. You need to spend money. It's been decided. You heard it up straight to the camera. Don't know how we can get a clearer view. That's a good point. It's no clearer than that. But I deal with it. Yeah, sense customer detail. Others can't hear me. Plus, my mobility stops me going out. That's what's so frustrating. Like, I'm lucky enough that if internet goes or power goes for length of time, I've got a local library I can go to. I had to do that the other week. I've got a friend who lives near, so if I'm like, hey, I just need to steer internet for a little bit, I can do that. And it's not ideal, but it's possible. Where a lot of people who, if you work from home, you work home for a reason because mobility issues or something else, or you're somewhere where you can't go anywhere else. So it sucks when certain companies and budget reasons or whatever they want to say or excuse is, you have no sort of backups. It's like, well, if you can't work, you can't work. It's like, yeah, but it's like a downward spiral. Not to reference Nine Inch Nails. Haha. Sorry. Or Fragile about it. Or with teeth. No, that doesn't really work. Head like a hole. What other albums are there? Survivalism. Year Zero. No, sorry, singles. Year Zero. Okay. I'm trying to think of a sentence. Anyway, I'm fucking off on one today. Yeah, it just sucks that there aren't like things in place to help people who can't just go, just go somewhere else. Like, I'm lucky that I can do that, and it sucks that a lot of people, you work from home, but you have to work from home, and it just sucks that you are stuck, and it's like, okay, I can't work on this home from this day.
Drinking,
so you lose money,
and
it's just like a
everyone else should
catch-22.
If you don't want to, yeah.
Thank you. Who did that? Astra, thank you. Good old dial-up. I was like, Mom, get off the phone. I'm trying to be on the internet. I'm trying to speak to play Sims Sims online or speak to MSN or something. Don't look through the display. Yeah, exactly. Audrey, I took a bit of distance from the situation and asked yourself if Pokemon cards are actually what you want, or if you want something else instead. No, Pokemon cards. Or you can ask a new book. We could ask a new book. There's many questions. Fan, you held it up. Exactly, I found it straight to the camera. I don't know what else do I fucking want. My mum has been lovely about it and says I can pay less rent this month. Oh, that's nice. That's good to hear, Ali. That's good to hear. Audrey, that's both sensible and going to end terribly because I know that what I really want is cards and a Switch game. What's a Switch game? Closer to the edge. It's closer to the edge. Isn't that Linkin Park? So I'm thinking of songs now. Oh, Year Zero is my favorite Ghost song. Year Zero is an album by Nine Inch Nails. It's a good album. It's a very good album. Do I still have the CD? Because I remember the CD, it was temperature change. You can actually put your hand on like the CD and it actually reacts to temperature. I could talk about Nine Inch Nails all fucking day. Bite, collect call. Please say your name. Bite, pick me up, Waffle Street. Do you accept this call? No. Click, honey, I'm going to pick up Bite. Oh, yeah, I remember those collect calls. This is a collect call from insert. It's like, pick me up. Hydrate the brain cell, helps with sentences. It doesn't, or Astra. I say too many sentences. Pokemon Scarlet, I just stuck thinking about Pokemon lately. I mean, that's fair. Pokemon's good. That's why it's been lasting for so many years, you know? So many years, yeah. Closer, a Nice Now song was trying to be clever. Oh, sorry, Ali. Sorry, I ruined it. But yeah, Closer is a good song. It's a very sexy song as well. I think the words are, I want to fuck you like an animal, you know? Fucking love Nine Inch Nails. I'm trying to think what my favourite Nine Inch Nails song is. I love that they're doing all these soundtracks as well. So many good songs. Scent CD's one. I think someone did a Scent CD, I think. Yeah. Some weird things. Oh, the Slip. Oh yeah. The Fragile with Teeth, Downward Spiral, Broken, Ghosts, Add Violence, Hesitation Marks. Good old Trent Reznor. I'm trying to think what my favourite song is. So that's cool. What's my favourite song? I like how they have a song called Shit Mirror. I'm like, yeah, all right. Oh, actually, you know what? I do. Okay, what my favourite? Oh, this is a difficult one. I do like Heresy from Downward Spiral. I do like Heresy for Downward Spiral. It's just very noisy. It's just... Shit. What's the lyrics? Oh yeah, it's about God. The lyrics are, God is dead, you know. Very good Christian song. There's other songs which I could play, but there's some of them are very... There's so much Nine Inch Nails. It's so good, Audrey. Anyway, I'll play till the chorus. I think it's because I love that song. It's just, there's a lyric in that song which is the line, if there was a hell, I'll see you there. It's just so fucking angry. Anyway, great. Yeah, there's so many good songs. Like, oh God, what other songs are there? There's so many that I like. Honestly, Nine Inch Nails are so good. They've got such a variety as well. Such variety. Was it from the album Always? It might be from the album Always, Rainy. I think Always was one of the EPs, I think. Just trying to look. You know, oh, a good song, very different, but a good song is for Lost Highway. Actually, you know what? Let's play a video. Let's play a video, chat. Should we play a video? Should we play a video? I'm gonna play a video. This was very popular on MTV2. Remember MTV2? And it was a weird song because Trent had a little of a evil goatee for it for some reason. Stop playing, thank you. Hang on. We're doing that thing again where I play music, or copyright music, and then get my stream copyright striked, which is always fun. Anyway, here's the... No, thank you. There we go. There we go. Oh wait, no, wait. I got my head, but my head is so rattling. Can't keep Continue trying to run the traveling. My heart is so good. That's understood. I come along, but I don't take it. Reggie, take it. I shouldn't go, but you're Reggie, take it, shaking me. Turn off the sun, to the stars, the sky. The more I give to you, the more I die. And I want you. And remember this song? Probably not. Yeah, a bit of Beetlejuice vibes to it. It's very interesting. Yes, Only's a good song from With Teeth. The when I'm all suffered. So I fucking love that. Love that line. It's such a good line. It's such a good line. You made me when I'm all soft inside. Oh God, sorry. It's such a vibe. It's such a fucking vibe. But there's so much different types of music that Trent's done. And Trent Reznor basically is Nine Inch Nails. He does all the music and he tours with a band, but it's basically him. Yeah, I don't think people were allowed to listen to songs. Some of the lyrics were quite sexual. Only's a great song. God, there's so much good music. Only's a very good song. Oh God, what else do I want to play? I've been DM'd. There's one called Starfuckers. Oh, wait, hang on. Where is it? Wait, is it this one? So you lost me now, chat. You lost me forever now. Sorry, you lost me forever. This is just like you imagined. Anyway, Hurt. You know what, Hurt? I really like. Hurt's a good song from Nine Inch Nails. However, the cover by Johnny Cash is superior. It's so good. Like Hurt by Nine Inch Nails is really good. Like he always sings it on when he's on tour and stuff. He does a really good job of it, but like the cover by Johnny Cash is so good, and also like the timing of it, because Johnny Cash covered it after, I think shortly after his wife died, and it was the last thing he recorded before he died. And the power behind that song is incredible. And even Trent's come out and said, yeah, that song doesn't belong to me anymore. It's fully Johnny Cash's now song. Anyway, I like this song as well. Fucking. You like original? That's fair. I mean, that's fair. I like both, but yeah, no. Even Trent's come out and said, yeah, Johnny Cash, like he made it his own. Anyway, good old angry music. Anyway, back to my usual playlist, unfortunately. Boo. There you go. Anyway, I fucking love Nine Inch Nails. Fucking love it. Anyway, I've been DM'd a few times. Oh, thank you, Ems. Thank you. Check that out a sec. The Beard, the best album ever. Check that out. I will do a music stream at some point. At some point I will like play all these songs. Hey, Miss Lisa, about to leave for work, but at least saying hi to all the cuties in chat and on screen. How dare you? How bloody dare you, Lisa? Thank you. Hope work goes all right. Fan, I haven't listened to Nine Inch Nails in such a long time. My mate used to have parties with the volume to ears bleeding, and everybody coming to the party was in complete agreement. Music comes first, talking comes second. Absolutely. Yeah, like I go in phases with Nine Inch Nails. I always sort of have a time for it and stuff, and sometimes I just like go on like a tangent with them and just realize how much music I love of theirs, because a lot of it's very different and it's still going to this day, which is amazing. Right. Thankfully, my mum was always very cool about Nine Inch Nails growing up. She's into a lot of metal. She's been with me to every Rammstein concert. I fucking love that. I love that. Sign and Rammstein are my favourite songs. She's listened to Marilyn Manson a lot, right until he revealed to be terrible. Yeah, that's so annoying about Marilyn Manson. I liked his stuff and he become a bastard. I'm like, why, you bastard? Why are people bastards, chat? Right, and she roasts me for listening to Ghost all the time because in her words, they're too soft. It's like listening to the sea. I mean, they're different. I wouldn't say they're soft, but I guess that. Audio to script, but that's fair. But like the original better, but either way, it's really good. Both versions are amazing. Oh, 100%. Because also, like when Trent did his, because it's downward spiral, he would literally go for a downward spiral with drugs and alcohol. So it was like a retelling of his journey into like the bottom. So it was very personal. A lot of songs. Just back when I did a Zoom quiz during lockdown, I had a roundabout cover songs, included Hurt. I knew you had taste. I like it. There's something about the discordance in the original that breaks me in the best way. It's so good live. It's really, really good live. Like it's just him with the light, and it's just incredible. It's absolutely incredible. Well, we just take a look at a bid album. It's worth. I will. I mean, I really don't have fucking time because right. If I start looking at other people's suggestions, we'll look at suggestions all day. So what I will do, I will make notes of these and do like a whole stream of it. Panda, you can create a new stream account and applies a DJ for when you want to do music. Yeah, but I don't think that allows you playing just music. You actually have to DJ it. I think is a little more restricted than just playing copyrighted songs on stream. I think. Ali, I'm going to Distant Worlds with my mum. So I was like, oh, really? I've always wanted to go with her, but she was always said no until now when she's almost 73. Fucking love that. Love that. Hi, bye. Welcome in. Welcome in. I'm not even saying that name. No, Ghosts are soft, and that's what I love about them. Haters call them Scooby-Doo ABBA. Scooby-Doo ABBA? What a name. Oh, they actually didn't know. Oh, God. Yeah, I'm good. Bye, I'm good. Thank you for that. Do you like KFCs, all right? My funnest memory of Marilyn Manson is my dad walking and listening to Dirty Dirty Rockstar for a few seconds saying, what is dirty dirty? Oh, and then grumbling and walking away. That's a typical dad response. That's a typical dad. Favorite meal? I don't know. What's your favorite meal? What's your favorite meal? The beard's just like with the physical album cover. Yeah, I think I remember seeing that cover. DJ WikiWik, yeah. You? No. I mean, you just say hi, bye. So I don't know if you're saying hi or bye. So if you said bye, bye. I'm going to my first concert that has nothing but fees for the first time in 3 years. Oh, you say BB no dollar sign. Oh, nice. Oh, nice, Ems. I love that. That's good. That's some decent music. It's good fun. My friends have been subtly trying to get me to listen to Ghost. Ghost is good, Chan. Check it out. I think you'll like them. I think you'll like them very much. They're good. They're good. Yeah. Baby, no money. Whatever. I can't forget what it's called. I forget. No dollar sign message. I don't know. Just spell it that way and it'll be easy to say, you know? Anyway, I need to go for a break, chat. It's a real fucking time. Because it's sort of 8:38. And I need to go have a break and get some stuff done. Yeah, dollar sign message, actually. Yeah, nothing else to really talk about. I've got a schedule this week. I've got a video coming out tomorrow and Thursday. Stream on Thursday. It may be Split Fiction with Nessie, but not 100% because Nessie has some PC issues. But if not, we might do some repo. Maybe with the mods. As in the mods, the chat mods, not mods for the game, but as in the mods who are here. And maybe other people if they any more space. And the Saturday is more repo with another lot of people. So a lot of repo this week, but I love repo and I can keep playing it till I get sick of it. So good luck watching that chat. But yeah, so 50-50 with Nessie at the moment, but Nessie has some PC issues. So if we don't do Split Fiction on Thursday, we'll be playing some repo. Yeah, I mean, we've had 4 already say yes, I think. 3 people. 3 people? Yeah, 3 people. Yeah. Yeah, or the mods. So any other mods who want to play repo, we might play it Thursday. If don't play Thursday, we'll play it in the future on stream. But yeah, so that's possible. Or that's happening if Nessie can't stream Thursday. And then doing some repo with Derp, Owl, Human One, Spork's playing a horror game, and Nessie, hopefully, on Saturday. So, like, the new version of Tits for Crota, I can't remember. Yeah, I can't remember how it was quite. I think it was just Tits were actually spat as tits. So it'd be tits for whatever the company is. Tits for the company, for the taxman. I don't know, tits for taxman. There you go, tits for taxman. I think it's a taxman, you got to pay for something. Anyway, I'm getting warm, chat. I need to go get some air and get some words up and do some stuff. But I don't think there's anything else to really go on about, really, chat, unfortunately. Nothing's really happened. I'm just hoping for a good week. I'm hoping for a good week. Tit tax. Tit tax. Talking to Miss Lisa. If it happens again in the future, I'll definitely hop in. This time it's on therapy day, so mentally I won't be checked in. That's honestly fine. I mean, I said because Kim can't make it on Thursday either, and I did say even if we do it on Thursday, whoever's around, we'll do it again in the future when we can plan it. It's just I haven't got time to I haven't got time to reorganize any other streams or anything that I really want to do. So I was like, hey, anyone around? And also, if there's anyone in the chat who's not a mod who wants to play, then I will keep you updated. It may be very late notice. I'm hoping to find out soon if Nezzy can play on Thursday or not. Tit taxes sound like a sleazy guy who's really bad at pick up lines. It does, doesn't it? You got to pay tit tax. Or really silly bar, you got to pay tic tax for. It's like, no, you got to pay tic tax. Tits aren't big enough or small enough. Just restaurants now, so you can absolutely count me when I'm free. It sounds fun. It's so fun. It's so fun. I love that we've got Spork playing on Saturday, because Spork doesn't really do horror games. I do think it's amazing, Martin, to call it, it's pronounced Baby No Money Tour. Yeah, Baby No Money. It's like, we have no money. We have no money. But yeah, that's happening Thursday, and Saturday's more Repo, because Repo is fun, and it's good laugh, and it's going to be funny until it doesn't become funny anymore. Anyway, should we do some words, chat? Who wants some wordies? Who's feeling some words? Anyone? Anyone want words? Who wants some words? I've got plenty of words to give you, chat. Loads of words to give you. All the fucking words. Yeah, Spork does not like horror games, and yet they're playing Repo on Saturday. I did say that we would, it's not that scary. We can help you out and show you the ropes in the game. He actually meet and greet tickets for them in London on my birthday. Oh, Miss Lisa, that's awesome. That's so cool. Yeah, I tried so hard when he was talking about the whole Miku cosplay thing. I DM'd him like 3 times. I was like, come on, I'm a fucking nobody. Never replied, obviously, because fucking popular and stuff. But I was like, I tried. Maybe one day. That's pretty cool. Bird, no bird, Glitch, no bird. No bird is a word. Bird is a word. I don't do horror games well, and we'll do my best not to scream. Garth, it's fine. It's funny. It's so funny. I'm debating whether I should wear my Miku wig to the concert. I mean, I think, why not? I will say, Ems, it'd be cool if you did. It does get very sweaty with wigs, so just bear that in mind. It might not be most comfortable. You need to make a TikTok. Hirax to almost all of them. That's a good point. I should have done that. Damn it. I should have done that, Miss Lisa. Next time. I mean, whenever's next time. I don't know. Can I stop pressing buttons? Thank you. Anyway, who wants to see words? I'm going to go for a break. Yeah, that's it, really. Nothing else we're talking about, chat. I think that's it. I'm just hoping for some positive energy this week because the last few months have been rubbish. Well, they've been fine, but it's just I want some consistency. I've missed the consistency. I've missed just being consistent with streams. And I know most of the time it's not been my fault, but it's still frustrating. At least have fun at work. Or say, have work. Yeah, I was going to do the same, Rainy. I was going to do the same. I was just entertaining myself a little bit. So, yeah. Thank you, Rainy. Yeah, I was seeing if they replied, but it's all good. Yeah, I'm just hoping for some structure this week where I can just go when I'm working, what I'm doing, house sitting a cat, playing games, playing streams. That's all I want. That's all I want. And, you know, is that much to ask? Apparently so. Apparently so. But who fucking knows? Who fucking knows, chat? Anyway. We're going to go for a quick break, chat. We're going to do some words. If you want to play, feel free. If not, enjoy your break. We'll do some marbles afterwards. And yeah. And I really remember what I said or wanted to say about. Fully understandable. This week in the bit has been weird. I mean, the last few months have been really, like, I've not had a consistent week for ages. Like, January's always a write-off because for some reason, after fucking Subathon, January just becomes a shithole. I don't know why, but maybe it's my energy. Thursdays are Thursdays. February's a write-off because obviously my dad's stuff. And then March normally is okay month, but this month is just being like, no, it's some more shit you can deal with. Oh, do you want some burnout? I'm like, no, I'm good, thank you. Have it anyway. I played words for like half an hour and I've got to go. I mean, that's fair. Half an hour is pretty good. We do half an hour words, I think. That's more than enough time for some words and then some. Intimate. Not in a sexy way, yeah. Exactly. Anyway, play some words. If you want to play some words, feel free to play some words. If you want to play some words, don't play some words. That's a wrong thing, Warwick. That's the wrong thing. Words is here. There we go. There you go. Anyway, play words, don't play words. Do what you want. Can do what you feel like. We'll see you soon. Play some marbles afterwards. And have a good break, everybody. Link is top of chat. Right. See you soon. Bye. Bye.
Glinskadoodle just resubscribed for 17 months at tier 1. Ooh, don't time fly when you're having fun.
Chat, you've done so well that my camera breaks again. I need to fucking... my camera just doesn't like me, apparently. It's fine. Doesn't matter. Give me a second. Let me just reset it. It's fine. There we go. I'm back. Anyway, hi everyone. Level 20. Let's fucking go. Fan, get it. Who knows? Who fucking knows? Who knows? Also, recommend everyone who's popped in during words. Oh, damn. Pre-orders are up for the new card range. Well, looks like there's going to be my first TCG pre-order. Rainy, good luck. I hope it goes well. Anyway, Ali is top, and second, Orgia is top 3. Let's keep going. Level 28, chat. Level 28. Let's fucking go. I don't know. Banter? Rants. Heater. Heats? Nope. Band. Oh, band. Nope. Light color. What did you get? You got a number. What word? You put absence. So sense. Someone already got sense. Or maybe that's not a word. Who knows? 14's a word. Knees. That's good. Beans. No beans. No beans. I think B might be fake. No, B isn't fake because B was used. I don't know. Doesn't look like beans. Or maybe you've already got beans. Beans. Beans the magical fruit. Maybe there's a word in there doesn't like. Bechance? Bechance. I don't know, I'm just making... Oh, that's not a word. I don't think this is a word. Bechance? I think that's a word. It's fine. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, hope everyone's doing well. Doodle, thank you for 17 heckin' months. Hey! Oh, beans was there. We did get beans. We got beans earlier. Chat, we are 4 subs away. Welcome back, Chan. We are 4 subs away from me unveiling our first new emote. Also, on Thursday, there's going to be a sub offer, which we may bring back to pickled onions on Thursday. Just FYI. Level 33. Chat, you're smashing it. Smashing it. Let's fucking go. Good work, chat. But yeah, we are 4 subs away from hitting our first sub goal for a new emote. And on Thursday, there's going to be, I think it's up to 35% off, like gifted subs or something, or multiple subs. So I may be bringing back the pickled onions on Thursday. How you sticking up, fan? I have no idea, but you're doing great. I've dropped to, I'm 9th at the moment, but it's fine. We're all working together. Anyway, level 33. I don't know what this level is. If you're going to be unavailing yourself, I'm not going to come back here after all. Ace, I'm sure you would. You know, you never want to leave. Exactly. Teamwork makes the dream work. Exactly. So it's 5 letters. There are 2 fakes and 2 hidden. I'm going to say Q is fake. But there are 2 fake and 2 hidden. Just to make it even more difficult for you, chat. But I believe in you, chat. I believe in a thing called love. Irons. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Ironing. Nope. Ironed. No. Yeah, I mean, I was looking at repo crowd control. It's wild. There's a lot in there, Pan. There's a lot in there. There's quite a lot you can do in crowd control with repo. It's very funny. I might even bring that in on Thursday if we play Thursday. Not sure yet. Chat, we're doing good. Also, Stargazer, welcome in. Also, ads are playing. So if you got ads, there's a link at the top of chat. You can use that if you want to. So if you get caught by ads, there's a link at the top of chat which you can use to carry on playing if you are caught by an ad, chat. Ems, I don't know what these words are, but well done. Did I even get a word? No, I haven't got a word. I'm better at the earlier levels. Funny enough. Anyway, Ali, with the... What is that word? Signori? All right, Signori to you too. Right, Q and A were fake. S and G was added. Oh, I thought there was 2 N's then. I was about singing, but no. Chat, we need 1 more word. Is this where we fail? Let's go, Ali, right there, get it. Let's go. You're fucking saving it. Let's fucking go. Let's go. I didn't quite jinx it. Let's fucking go. Level 35. God, it gets difficult, doesn't it? Jeez Louise. Ali is up. M second Orgy, top 3. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm not getting a fancy new set, but I'm getting a couple of older booster packs with art I know I love to pull in really cute moonball tin with some surprises. Oh, that's so cute. Fam, you helped by getting us here. But you got 52 points. If it wasn't for those 52 points, we wouldn't have got this far. All right? But it does get harder. Actually, I think this is as hard as it gets, so it's just continuously hard. Sorry. The fuck is... You got grind and left it out of that. You know what? That's fair. You know what? It still helped. We needed it. M's with business. I'm doing business. Did anyone watch BoJack Horseman with Mr. Businessman? I'm doing business. Not remotely in this for the money. I just want nice art in every plenty hard to get my hands on. You are sweet. I just want ducklet. Hello, Tiffany. Welcome to the stream. Welcome in. Oh, chat, you're doing it. You're doing it, chat. You're doing it. You're doing it. It's exciting. Business. Doing business. Cover the ball. Stay for the continuous half. Thank you, Wide. Welcome back. Well, you never left. I don't know. Welcome back. Welcome in. Hello. Goodbye. Hello. I don't know what's going on. It's fine. I'm just too hard at the moment. Well, if you collect and you want ducks, I got a common but adorable Quaxley. That's the thing. You think I like Quaxley. Quaxley's fine. There's nothing on Duckley. Ducklet. Not Duckley. Ducklet. Duckley. Ducklet. I don't know why. I'm a snob with ducks. Quaxley's fine. I don't even know what Ducklet evolves to. Ducklet evolutions. Oh, it becomes a swan. I did not know that. Oh, it might have just ruined my whole love for Ducklet. They become a swanner? Should have known that, shouldn't I? God damn it. Fucking swans are bastards. Chat in 40? Level 40? 40? Thank you, Reddy. Good work. Fucking hell, I've got extra nuggies as well from Audrey. God, today's a great Monday. Anyway, Ali, Ems, Audrey, top 3. Let's go. No, fan, it's fine. It's going to get a point where it's just blur. It's fine. Back from the ads. It's fine. It's all good. Welcome back. Welcome back. Surprise, Nucky. Haven't got any registered in what work and luck. How the work and luck is going well. Wide. Hope it's going all right. Damn. Thought I had it, chat. I was like, oh, that's a smart word. Large. Nope. Roomy? No, there's no O's. Fiery? I think this is where we leave it, chat. Reform? Oh, reform! Not to be confused with the Reform Party from the UK. Ew. It's fine. There's Zoya, welcome in. I typed that, I was like, oh no, I feel dirty. Oh, I'll try it anyway. Damn it. It is shameful. I agree, I agree, it is shameful. Thank you for noticing. Forehead? No, more I know. Stop noticing my forearm. Or my forearm. My forearm's here. Hey, I got a word on level 40. I'll take that. Wait, former? Nah, damn it. Damn it. Okay, fine. I have no idea. Right, Y and O was added. H and A are fake. Does that help in any way? No. Well, it does actually. Formerly. Merely? No, oh, what the hell is my face about? The hell? I will deal with that later. Give me a minute. I will deal with that later. Schaefer was actually impossible without knowing the two hidden. Oh, really? Back for real. Welcome back, ready. Anyway, I'm going to leave it here for a second. Anyway, Ali with 238 points in first place. Well done. Ems with 202 in second. Audrey with 81 in third. Lightcolor was fourth with 77. Rainy was fifth with 57. Fan was sixth with 52. I made it to seventh with 47. Drifter was 8 with 44. Ninth was Stargazer. Welcome in. 44, joint 8th actually. Zoe was 10th with 16. 11th was Ace with 13, joint with Doodle. In 13th was Goth with 11. 4th was Canadian Girl in 7 points. And Just Guy 15th with 6. Well done, everybody. I'm so proud of you all. So proud of you all. I'm so proud that I've actually broken time and space. Because my face now looks like this. That was a bit of a sentence, wasn't it? No forehead. I'm not sure how I feel about that, though. I don't know, chat. I mean, the mods can make... Oh, let me go back first. Hi, we're back. I mean, the mods can make quotes. The mods are able to make quotes if they want to make quotes. So if they want to make that quote, feel free to. Unless you need me to tell you how to do them, that I can let you know, or I can do it for you. But anyway, no more words. Words is now done with, chat. Words is now gone. Bye-bye words. Bye-bye words. We're now going to do some mobs because I've got balls to give to people. Also, I changed my skin on break. No, I changed my skin before stream. So I'm actually, my ball isn't naked anymore. So, if you like that or not. We'll do 1 Mars and Oskies. No worries, A. No worries. All good. All good. Thanks for being here as long as you have been. Right. Anyway. Close. Mobs. Hey!
Now, it's time for that moment you've been waiting for. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Miku Miku.
Brookie Awuki just raided in with their community. Miku Miku Beam.
Why did it shout M's out? Ems, you kid? Did you misspell it? Hang on. Oh, there we go. I don't know what you did, Ems. I don't know what you did, Ems. Just chatting yourself, self-promoting my own channel. How dare you? How dare? Anyway, Brookie, welcome in streamers, welcome in raiders. Hello, everyone. Welcome in chicken as well. I see you there. Hello, welcome in raiders. My name is Warwick. We just played some words about some marbles with a gift card giveaway. So if you want to hang around for that, feel free to. But again, my name is Warwick, and if you didn't hear that for the second time, here it is again. I am Warwick. La 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 la. So there we go. But yes, thank you for being here. Hope you had a good stream. What are you up to? You're playing some. Where are you? Repo. I fucking love Repo. Repo's so fun. Repo's so fun. I'm waiting for it not to be fun. Oh, Brookie. Brooks. Hi. I like the name change. Hi. Oh, I like the name change. Welcome in. It's good to see you. How you doing? Did you get your glass of respect savers? I did. I did get my glass of respect savers. How did you know? I just got last night. Did you? It's so fun. I'm waiting for it not to be fun anymore, but so far it's a lot of fun. So I'm going to keep playing it over and over. Okay, so it has to explain to me why it's not shameful, but shameful. Because of English. There we go. Drag explained it perfectly. But hi, I like the name change, Brookie. Good to see you. Hope you had a good stream. But yes, my name is Warwick, for anyone who does not know. And I've got a little raid video to play as we load up marbles. If you want to stay with marbles, it's a free to play the game. You enter the game, you enter your balls. There's a gift card giveaway at the end of it if you win the Grand Prix. We can do it 3 or 4 races. And then battle each other. Anyway, chat, enjoy the raid video. Hey everybody, my name is Warwick and welcome to the channel. What you'll find here is a community full of chaotic wholesomeness, love, acceptance, and probably some scares. Ah! You fucker. Suck my knife. I'm not doing that.
Eat my splooge, Warwick.
Human Shrek, all right? You happy? Die. Thank you. You loving it, Charles? Don't be in front. Don't. Ah! Look at all the balls. Not clear. Fuck you, game. I have to sing it while I can't say the word space. So here we go. We are in space. Okay, it should be working now. Are you happy? I have big shoulders. I am the legendary fart master. Fuck! Woof, bug, woof, woof. I didn't master any of it. I was just... It's a heart, all right? Don't question it. These are not drugs! Can someone help me, please? Hi. Hello? I'm spinning a record! Living my cat fantasy, and I'm loving it. Meow. What's that? It's just a really, really big moustache. No! No! My name is Alex. Alex. Nice. Yes! Oh! Hello. What do you think? Oh, I like it very much. No! And there we are. And the game doesn't want to show. Where are you, game? Game, where are you? Come on, game. Come on, game. Come on. Come on. Hello, plushie. Good to see you. Welcome in. Welcome in. There it is. We found the game, chat. We found the game. So, I'm tired. The other downside of this whole not streaming for a while and then streaming again is it knackers you out. So we're going to do a short Grand Prix. Still a gift card giveaway. And I am owing people gift cards. Don't worry, I will get that sorted out over the next few days. So we'll do a short one, but we still have some fun, as we always do. And we still have time for Battle Royale chat, so do not worry. But anyway, we are doing Grand Prix. So how it works is we'll do some races, probably do 4, I think, 4 and 2. We found the game. Now nail it down so you won't get lost. I mean, it just disappears sometimes, but I never know where it goes. What was I talking about? Yeah, so we do a Grand Prix. If you get the most points in the Grand Prix, you win a gift card of your choice, wherever you are in the world. It could be money. Well, it could be Amazon. It could be gaming. It could be books. It could be candles. It could be nothing illegal. What else have I got for people? Geek stuff. Charity as well. Charity to myself. It could be converted to gift subs as well. There's a lot you can do. But anyway, and if you are on Discord or Twitch, I will message you either there or on Whispers. Anyway, anyone got any preferences on maps we want to do? You're back. Welcome back, Ricky, just in time. And Zion, you just returned. Welcome in. You just timed it just right. Like you knew. Like you have that sixth sense with marbles. Any preferences? What's Marble Factory? What's Marble Factory? Is that a good one? We done Marble Factory? Oh, we always do Dogger, don't we? We always do Dogger, don't worry. I don't remember Factory. It looks different. We're going to do Marble Factory. We'll do Buckshot, because I like Buckshot. And then we'll do Temple Steve. Some classics, because I can't think too much. Temple, there we go. I never remember which maps are which. No, I see the pictures. I don't remember those. Anyway, we're doing Grog's Last Sea Adventure, which is a doggy park. Marble Factory, which I don't remember doing before, but I guess we have done it because it says played 807 times. Is that us playing that? That can't be right. No, that can't be right, surely. No, that must be overall that must be the season. Because there's no way I've only played Temple Steve 935 times. Maybe more, maybe less. Anyway, Buckshot and then Temple of Steve. We have a rule, chat. We have a rule. This probably, yes, but that makes sense because I don't think I've played Buckshot 2,400 times, I don't think. But anyway, we are going to play Grand Prix, so you can enter play to play the game, easy peasy. For the first race and the first race only, we have a tradition, about 2-3 years now, I think it's up to 3 years has been going on now, where you have to be a doggo. If you're your own doggo, great, but you have to be a doggo. How to be a doggo? Type in that or that. No other variations. That's it. Don't listen to anything else that chat says. Thank you, Tiffany. Perfect. When we start the game, it will work. Not Mare. No, but Mare doesn't work. Audrey, that doesn't work. Actually, does that work? That might work. Audrey, that might work. As long as there's a play 2 in it, it should work. I don't know if it needs a space after the 2. It does work. Well, there we go. As long as it has play 2 in there at the beginning, and then you can do what you fucking want. Anyway, Be a doggo, please. And then that's it. And afterwards, you can do what you fucking want. Right. I'm not chat. I'm the truth. Wow. Anyway, chat, get your doggos in. I'm going to start the race. Right, let's have a look. Love it. Got Ostrich Ducky. Got a dog driving a car. They've changed the zoom in. It's quicker now. Chat, do you like my one? Do you like my one? Just an ask what truth. I'd rather not know the truth, personally. Do you like my little doggy shark, chat? Oh, Panda. Oh, I like it, Panda. Oh, that's cute. Little tail and unicorn. That's cute. That's cute. Right, is everyone a doggo? Chat, I'm so proud of you all. I'm so proud of you all. Got you a dog and UFO. I'm so proud of you, chat. Chat, I'm so proud of you. I'm never normally proud of you lot. Chicken. There's a lot of animals here. Tail. Is there a tail under the tail? That's how it works, right? That's a question, isn't it? Right. Also, what's happened to Warwick's full spin? Does that not work anymore? Did I get rid of that? No, apparently just sometimes it doesn't want to show. Okay, thanks, Wafflewick. Appreciate it. It's a butt plug. Okay. Right, I wish I never looked. Anyway, get your balls in chat if you haven't already. Gift card giveaway. After this first race, you can do what you want. But the most points you get overall at the end of 4 races, I got 4, you win a gift card. And I'll let you know if through Discord or through Twitch Whispers. Very excited. I love that meme. It's like, Mr. Simpson, are you there? Homer, are you there? Right, chat, are you ready, chat? You ready? Who's going to win the first race, chat? Who's going to win the first race? I'm focusing on me today because I'm a little shark, a little doggy, and I thought it'd be very cute to focus on me. But who thinks they're going to win this first race? Not the whole thing, but who thinks they're going to win? Midori, that's me thinking, a wholesome ball from Panda. Unicorns are magic. Okay, would that help you? The water wins. Does the water win? I got some quotes to add. Audrey, what was that quote that you wanted me to add? If I win, that'd be a great comeback. Maybe. Right, I'm going to try to add a quote. In reference to SoFlo Trash Panda saying yeah, I will say, mods, you are able to add quotes. So if there's a quote, please feel free to add it. If you are concerned about adding it, then please DM me. Just helps me out because it's a bit funny. Nimki, you're out, Nimki. Unlucky, Nimki. Unlucky. Quite add. I was just thinking that Wholesome being a reference to. So I'm trying to add this other one, but it's the extra layers to it. Bag of Drag is our winner. Who squeaked? You can get eliminated from this round. It's hard to, but you can get eliminated. You can get stuck, or you can just get stuck regularly. But I think everyone's finished, except for Nimki. Nimki went. Nimki died. Nimki, what happened to you, Nimki? Nimki, what happened? Also, Plushie was last. Plushie was looking for Nimki. Couldn't find Nimki. Actually, who said it? Because I can just check chat history. Who said the quote? I can just check chat history. Yeah, but who said it? Because who said it? So I can actually copy it. Oh, Rennie said it. Okay, Rennie said it. Oh, sorry. You're right. Okay, give me 2 secs. I mean, Rainy, do you know how to add a quote? I can do it for you if you want. Jim, you weren't even in a race. It's fine. You didn't want to win this one anyway. Zion, you got 4th. Would work. I don't think quotes add sharing chat history. I think only shares yours. Hey, Hey, there we go. Perfect. Thank you very much, Just a Guy. Thank you very much. And I think this one makes sense. Quite. I was just thinking that. Oh, a wholesome ball from Panda, in reference to Panda saying it was a butt plug tail. And hopefully this works. Hang on, I'm trying to two things at once. Noah's Ems, take care. Have a good sleeps. Appreciate you. I think that's right. Did that work? Quote added, quote 781. I was just thinking that, oh, a wholesome ball from Panda, Maduro, in reference to Panda's saying is a butt plug. Hey, we've got two people. We have two people referencing one quote. There you go. I think that makes sense. God, that burnt my brain trying to figure that out. Anyway, Drag, well done. You're our winner for the first race. Rainy was second. Doodle was third. Zion was fourth. Just Guy was fifth. Chan sixth. Drifter seventh. Chicken was eighth. Ninth was Brookie. 10th was Z. Well done, everybody. And now, every time we quote, look for the word butt plug, there's that quote. Excellent. Anyway, chat, now no more doggies. I mean, you can be doggy if you want to, but we are now doing the standard giveaway just there. Pin that bad boy. Thank you. And next race. Now be who you want to be. Yeah, Midori, you have a butt plug quote. There you go. Enjoy. And no, before you ask, I'm not quoting me saying that. Right, I don't know what this is. This looks new. I think you have to enter later, Z. I think it's one of those ones. It's like a cutscene, and then you enter. Yeah, no one's entered yet, so you have to enter again. So Z, Fan, Tiffany, everyone just type it twice. If you put it in, make sure you're in twice. Yeah, Generator, welcome in. Because with this one, there's like... I love how, for some reason, Drifter got auto-modded for the word butt plug. That's going to be really funny. Because every time we quote, we look for butt plug. Every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. I'm not quoting a butt plug about butt plug. Right. Chat, make sure you get balls in. I don't know what this one is. You're not an evil robot. I feel like you are an evil robot, Panda. Anyway, start the race. We've got 2 minutes. This is very cool. We've never done this. We have done this. I don't remember doing this. Right. Rainy, Neon, Doodle, Z, Nimki, Han, Fan, Wafflewick. For some reason, your balls are still naked. There was a glitch, I think, with the game, or a bug, which it reset everyone's set ball, so you had to reset it. But yeah, I don't know why. You have to log into the game. Where's your clothes, dude? I don't know where your clothes are. That's actually very good, Panda. I like that a lot. That's actually very good. So, Mod, are you okay? Not again. Hate when that happens. It's fine. It happens to the best of us, dude. It happens to the best of us. Don't worry. Anyway, I don't remember doing this map before. But anyway, it's fine. Yeah, Automod just cries like, there's too many things to Automod here. I touched the crank, the cock. See, what is that quote? The hell is that quote? I touched the crank, the cock ran out, and it died. Oh, that's from Hand Simulator with Lib and Mimi playing with the chickens. It's like, I touched a crank, the cock ran out and it died. That's right, I remember that game. That's a fucking funny game. Need to play that again at some point. I waited the 20 seconds to play once more so I could get the boring plain ball. It's fine. Fan is fine. If you're more streamlined, you got less to worry about, so you're fine. Am I even in? I'm not even in, am I? Am I in? I am in. I'm in there. There's a truck. Anyway, chat. Good luck. Apparently, Chan's our world record holder. I don't know. But anyway, I don't remember this map. But anyway, Panda, good luck. Everyone, good luck. Well done. Well done. Well done in advance. Right. Off we go. Danger, danger, Will Warwickson. Beep, beep, boop, boop. Beep, beep. Oh, up we go again. Oh, we're going up again. Oh, we're going up again. Is that normal? Yes, it is. Is it? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Oh. Whee! Oh, no, turn around. I'm very good at falling straight down. You are very good at doing it. Panda, not so much. Not so much, Panda. But Panda, you're down. You're down. Right, here we go, chat. Here we go. I don't remember this map. Does anyone remember this map? Apparently we've played because Chan's our record holder. But I don't... Oh, good. Oh, nice stop there, Panda. Nice stop. Oh, Chan's gone. Bye, Chan. Chan, our record leader, is gone. The front runner's out of there. They must have updated this. We might play like an older version of it. Oh, Zion, you're out as well, Zion. You're out. Unlucky, friend. Unlucky. And now we just stop what we did. All right. Might be a reskin. Yeah, I still don't just remember any of it, though. It's very fun. It's very fancy, though. All right. All right. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Bye. Yeast of Void Party. I mean, you're setting it up, Chan, for when we do Temple Steve, aren't you? You're setting up the snacks. Oh, well, time to find a rainbow scorpion image. The hell's that about? I don't know what that is. Beep, beep, boop, boop. This is a very cool map. My minds are blank on when we did this last. It must be a reskin or complete overhaul because there must be an older version of this, surely. Oh, so I'm looking for the image for the next time. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Right, Chan's getting snackies. Chat, remember? If you... Oh, light color's gone. Light color's gone. And Z is gone. What happened to light and Z? Uh-oh. Oh, this is trippy. Audrey's gone. Audrey is out of there. No. Oh. Well, that's a bit rough, isn't it? Oh, fan's gone. Drifter's gone, I think. Yeah, Drifter's gone. Oh, well, that's a fun little bottleneck, isn't it? Oh, bye, hun. Bye, Anderson. Also, welcome, Anderson. Of course I make it. Interesting. Dinneretta, you're first. Well done. Wafflewick is second. That's not good. That's not good. Wow, there's a lot of balls still going. Rainy, Zoe Hour's gone. Oh, Doodle. Oh, no, Doodle. Damn it, you're too quick. Sassy, Brookie both made it. Piss off, Wafflewick. Chicken. No, damn it. Come on, bite. Not quick. That's it. Slow down. Oh, actually, slow down, but also hurry up. Okay, why? They've had enough. Oh, why? Just a guy. Hurry up. Oh my God, it's a race. Oh my God. Oh, no. Oh, who's left? Sassy's taking their sweet time, but I think they made it. Hey, there we go. They're coming down to help me with snack duties. There must be, yeah. Anna, Dinneretta, well done. You got 124 points in first place. Anna unlocked a challenge. Thank you, chat. Waffle was second, Axel was third, Neil was fourth, Kim fifth, Tiffany was sixth, Drag was seventh, Warwick was eighth, Grumpy Knight and Midoriya making top 10. Your ball was too careful. It really was too careful, wasn't it? And there's everyone else. I like that map. I want to do that one again. And Dinneretta, you are our local race leader. You beat Chan when we fucking played it. I can't remember when we played it. Oh, I pressed too many buttons. Sorry. Flashing Lake with a marble. I mean, Flashing Lake, you still made it. You know, you got 13th. But yeah, 2 minutes 31 seconds. Well done. You now be immortalized in our games when we play this next. Right, buckshot, everybody. Doesn't matter what time you finish it, it's how close you are to the bullseye. But get your balls in. Who has a potato? Does that work? Or are you a potato? Who has a curse skin? Ball cosmetic. Lot of love. There's a shark. Oh, Chan. That's a good looking ball. That's a good looking ball right there. Or dice, I should say. Oh, hello. You good? Hi, Glitch. Welcome back. I don't really know. But anyway, was it figure out? I know. What's the question, Audrey? What's the question? Chat. What questions do you want to ask this Magic 8 Ball? Audrey gets first pick, but you can ask your own question And whatever his answer says is whatever your answer is. So, chat, think of a question. Oh, is that a good use for the second one, Sander? I think so. It might be. That's what's intended for, or just so it plays when earned. Will TwitchCon be sunny? Ooh, that's a question. Okay, Orgy, good. Anyway, if you got your question, we're going to find out what the answer is. And the answer is... Oh. Apparently so. Apparently yes to everything. Brookie, you are okay. It's decidedly so. Yes, it is. So there we go. There you go, buddy. No other arguments, no other 8 balls to ask any other questions. So there you go. Anyway, we're going to look at the fuck... I don't know what... I mean, it's not your most it's not your most cursed. It's still pretty cursed. Oh, I've got such a dirty mind. Okay, wide. Okay, wide. Hi, wide. Hi, how you doing? Did you have that intentionally? Honey just got in. If Wild Ride starts flying on the track, I'm out. Why? Is there a reason why you particular skin on that particular cosmetic? Yeah, that's all me. See, there's me thinking, do I feel bad because I think it looks like a penis? No. I think that was intended. Wide, never change, please. Never change, please. Why? Are you good? All right, okay, good. Right, anyway. Oh shit, I just realised that with the news I got today, I'm very lucky not be able to afford TwitchCon tickets. Now it needs to be sunny second one. Oh, that's all. I'm sorry to hear that, Audrey. But yeah, I'll still be around and stuff, so do not worry. The things are always intended. I don't know about that. I'm a fan of intended penis. Okay. By the way, before anyone else, I'm not quoting any of this shit, all right? We've got enough penis quotes, I think. The ducks are... None of it's a little duck. Right. So far, let's see where our little princess penis... So I think why did fly because they bounced off one of the balls into the center. Good work. Hey, Shelley.
It's time for that moment you've been waiting for. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Miku Miku.
Shelly_Kitten just raided in with their community. Miku Miku Beam.
Welcome in, Shelley. Welcome in, friend. How you doing? How was your stream, my friend? What are you up to? Hello.
I
Don't check Discord.
check Discord. No.
Do like that quote. Well, welcome in, Shelley. Welcome in. We just did some Grand Prix. You're just in time for the second part of the race. We're just about to do the fourth race now, but I hope your stream was good. I hope you had a good one. Zion is fine. We'll see who got closest. And yes, I added a quote about penises, about quotes.
Warwick drinking. Warwick.
Just some. Oh, nice. Oh, awesome.
Everyone else should, but you don't have to if you don't want to.
Yeah. Wow. Very little points in that. Anyway, wide ride.
It's a duck.
Okay, all the things happening now.
Quack.
All the fucking things happening now.
I'm a duck.
What? Well, that's a audible head. What's going on with my drink?
I have to go now. My planet needs me.
That makes sense.
Right then. Anyway, welcome in, Shelly. Thanks for the raid. Appreciate it. If you need to run around, please feel free to. We're just doing some marbles. Just winding down now. I was drinking too hard. I was drinking too much. Too hard. The penis...
Trying to escape. That's a thing. That's a thing. Anyway. You know what it reminds me of, chat? You know what it reminds me of? You know, but there's like, oh my god, oh god, oh god.
Time for that moment you spend
You know what? Fuck it. I'm leaving this picture on. It's fine.
Three. Ready? Miku miku.
It's fine. Clearly, you're rated because of the picture.
Slashy101 just rated in with their community.
Welcome
Miku
in.
Miku Beam.
Look at me, readers. You know there's mirrors. You know there's mirrors. That little tiny mouth, like there's filters. So like, oh, tiny mouth. Anyway, sorry, I got a face warp. Anyway, hi. Hello. Fucking hell. Anyway, but yeah, a community member made that Miku raid alert for me. Anyway, hi, Slashy, welcome in. It's good to see you. I hope you're doing well. Welcome in, Raiders. Just the mobs. The mobs or the balls. Clearly, everyone is here for the balls, which is valid, so that's fair. But welcome in, Raiders. How are you doing? I'm being well. How are you? I'm doing all right. Life is shit. Well, no, life's fine. Life's all right. Life just kicks my ass every fucking day. It's fine. It is what it is. Mondays and also just burnout and various life. But no, I'm doing okay. I'm shouting at my chat, which I like doing. They pay me money, which I like them doing. And I get to play with balls. So, legally, of course, and with consent. How was your stream? Also, welcome in, everybody. If you want to follow us, they're free to follow, or anonymous to follow either. The game's disappeared. Of course it has. Game. It was good. Awesome. What did you get up to? Did we do a shout out?
Oh, big work now. Hi, everyone. I hate everyone. Hate you all, everyone. All of you. Ooh, Rainbreaker.
Ooh. What's that? I don't know what that is. What is that? Is it? Sounds like Rainbreaker. It's like a D&D. It's a roguelite that just came out like a week ago. Oh, cool. There's too many games. There are too many fucking games. And there's me playing marbles. So I can't stop. It must have been, chat, when did I start doing marble? It must be 4 years now, surely. It come to 4 years. We only do consented ball play here, of course. Of course, Chan, of course. Really cool art style and about killing the monarchy, so right up to my alley. Let's go! Kill the monarchy! Or throw me in the river, the chat loves to call me. Where did you play, Zion? Not in the first 23. So, at least 12 days ago. At least 12, yes. There's too many games. I don't... Okay, we have a lot of quotes about penises today, chat. Do I add... Yeah, I add that. Yeah, I mean, it talks about consent, for fuck's sake. Why do I do this to myself? Why do I do this to myself? There you go, chat. There's a quote for you. Happy. Anyway, Wide was top with 119 distance. Sassy second. Neon was third. Zoe Al was fourth. Chicken Roo was fifth. Dude was sixth. Anderson was seventh. Drag was eighth. Dinner was ninth. And Glitch was top 10. And Zion, you were 28th. There you go. But anyway, Slashy, it's good to see you. I'm glad you've been doing well. If you need to run your run, please feel free to. We just do some marbles. We're just vibing, chilling out, having a laugh, swearing at each other. With consent, of course. Embrace the people. Okay. Once. Okay. All right. Why does the game always disappear? You don't have a mobs. Excellent. Because we're doing some battle royales in a second. But first, we're doing Temple Steve.
Oi, oi. Hello, everyone.
Don't. Rainy, don't laugh at my jokes.
You should subscribe.
It makes me want to do them all. But anyway, it's free to play. Enter the game. If for some reason you win a huge amount of points in this one, you could win a gift card. But whoever wins a gift card, Grand Prix wins a gift card. And then we'll do some Battle Royale after this. Yeah, that's it really. And yeah, just vibe if you want to check out. Follows are anonymous. You want to follow as well. Yeah, that's it really. I'm tired, chat. I'm tired. But anyway. Last race of Grand Prix. Make sure you get your balls in. Win it to win it, in it, bin it, kin it, sin it. Dinner at you exploding. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you alright? Z, you're not naked. What's Z? Z's not naked. Hey, let's go. Well, that's too bad. All right. Anyway, we're going to be following... If you need a big spin energy, grab a shovel. If you need aggressive spin energy, grab a pitchfork. Mitch max that shit. Oh, but it got poo from the word spoon. Right. Okay. Anyway, pandas are poo. Oh, that's clever, chicken. Here comes the poo. That's clever. That's really clever. I like that a lot. Then, well, no, because I have it as a sound. I don't need poop in my quotes. That I like that. When the ghost is brown, it looks like a vibrator. Okay, Panda. Let's hear a quote from me. Don't we just bite? That is very inventive. That is something else. We're going to follow chicken. I like that a lot. That's very clever. Anyway, chat. We're going to spam emotes because when we do marbles, it's Monday. Mondays fucking suck. They fucking rubbish. So what we do, we spam emotes and dance. So spam emotes and dance. That's basically it, I think. I'm not really sure. That's it. That's it, Just a Guy. And we listen to Daft Punk Tribute. Also get therapy if you want to. Yeah, that's it. Is this the fun around? It is the fun around, yes, because I'm tired. But yeah, the more emotes you spam, the quicker your ball goes. I will say that is a lie. I mean, I don't know, but who fucking knows? But let's vent frustration out. Spam your most cursed emote. Music, this is Daft Punk by Sagrava. Let me go. Anyway, we're starting. Where's the Spotify gone? There's a link. If you want to know the song, the song's there. But yeah, just let it out. Let your hair swing low. Even if you don't want to get therapy anyway, it's good for you. Yes, it is good for you. That's it, my frames are dropping. Keep going, chat. My frames are dropping. See my frames dropping. That's it. Keep breaking my stream. Right, so far, so good. So people are doing well. Oh, chicken! Ah, I ruined it. I ruined it for you, chicken. Sorry. Damn it. That's it. Cover my face with goose. Geese, even. Geese? Geese? Ghosts. Ghosts, there we go. But yes, whoever wins this could win a lot of points. It could be a chance to win that whole gift card, chat. So, chicken, you get chicken, or ostrich, or whatever you are. Right, we may abandon you, chicken, just because I don't think you're going to win. Actually, no, you might have a chance. You might have a chance. Zion, you're all over the place with those. I love it. Oh. Okay, still in. Oh, Tiffany, you're gone, Tiffany. Don't know what happened to you. Unlucky, Tiffany. Unlucky. Okay, chicken, you still got a chance. Still got a chance, chicken. Who's going to win it? Oh, Neon's gone. What the hell? 2 people gone before the racing finished. Right, anyway, let's zoom. Right, chat, who's going to be a winner? Who's going to be a winner? Who's going to be? Who's it going to be, chat? Who's going to be? All right, who's it going to be? Not Grumpy! Unlucky Grumpy! Will it be Anderson? Won't be Anderson. Will it be not Chan? It'll be Drifter as a first place winner. Zion's gone. Zoe Howe is gone. 2 Z's. Doodle in second place. Rainy. It's not my fault. Rainy in third. Bite's gone. Sassy's gone. Chicken's gone. Fan's gone. Wire's gone. Just a Guy's gone. Panda making 4th place. Didn't know. Just a Guy. Wire's gone. Hunter's gone. Nimki's gone. Warwicky's gone. So we're making 9th. You are, unfortunately, Zion. Right, who's gonna get 10th? Midoriel gets 10th. Audrey is out of there. Slashy. It's between Z and Slashy who gets 11th place. Never mind. Bye, Slashy. that was quick. Come on. Oh, Z. No! Ow. Drifter. Well done. You won our last race. So first place was Drifter, second was Doodle, third was Rainy, 4th was Panda, 5th was Dinnerata, 6th was Wafflewick, 7th was Drag, 8th was Void, 9th was Axel, 10th was Midoriel. Chat. You ready to see who won? You ready to see who won, chat? Chat, who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? Right. In third place was... Wrong sounder. Glinskadoodle. Clap, 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 clap. I don't know why I keep doing it. I always press the wrong button, but if I move it, I know I'll go to the wrong button. Anyway, in second place was... Thank God for that. Why is Wafflewick so good at this game? Wafflewick, you can clap if you want to. It is my bot, but I guess one clap. One golf clap. Golf clap. So, who thinks won? Who do we think won, chat? Put in closed. Wafflewick is always going to be naked. That is true. A lot of practice. That is very true. But our winner of not just a Grand Prix, but our hearts, maybe not our hearts, but our gift card of money is the one, the only, come up in that dinner at your winner! Why did it just show snow? One gift card that clap for dinner. Why is it just a block of snow? That confused the fuck out of me. Anyway, well done, Dinner. You're our winner of that gift card. I will DM you or whisper you at some point in the week. Give me a few days, all right? But I'll get that sorted out for you. But well done, Dinner, with 168 points and with one win. With one less race as well. See, chat, I say it, I don't always believe it, but apparently you can win less races. Damn, with one less. Smoke the competition. Smoke competition, generator. Came in, I mean, with your fucking badge as well up there as well. Good work. Although, I will say, I'm slightly disappointed, generator. I'm slightly disappointed. You are one away from 169. I don't know if I should take the gift card away. But you're probably where I am, which is quite further down the list. So, we have quite a lot of, where am I? Wait, am I even on the board? I am, I'm there. Oh, good, I've got 0 points. So, in no particular order, Z, Hun, Brookie or Wookie, Audrey, Fan, Grumpy, Midoriel, Warwick, Bite Bitten. Did all 4 races and he got 0 points. Whoop whoop. Impressive. Anyway, well, nobody. Nobody's for us. No, and all 4 races. And Director did 3 and 1. So, anyway, chat, you might be pissed off with me. Or the world. Either one, doesn't matter, same sort of thing. Who wants to play some Battle Royale? I mean, you can if you want. Ventwick, thank you. Here's Battle Royale time, chat. There's no gift card, but you can battle each other. There's a Pac-Man in the water. And yeah, you can target other players. You can target me. We have a bit of a tradition here where chat likes to target me. And we have a leaderboard. And some of you have moved up the leaderboard. And yeah, and that's it. Also, if you are so inclined, if you don't have to be. Oh, see, I'm a shark with the water. Yeah, thank you. Actually got command. TLDR is the command, actually. Wait, not Wafflewick. Fuck you, Wafflewick. Where's Warwick? There you are. Thank you. There you go. There you go. Every 50 bits, something happens in the game. So there'll be tornadoes, or size ups, or health, or resurrections, or something. So if you want to feel like you want to cause some chaos, feel free to. And also, if you get me, you get on our leaderboard and get a Discord role. Or we can go for Wafflewick. I mean, Wafflewick might target me, so just bear that in mind. Anyway, chat, I'm going to start the race. Got 2 minutes to get your balls in. Make sure you get them in if you haven't already. No gift card attached to it. It's just for pride and the thought of getting eliminated me. Because isn't that worthless? Worthless? No. Priceless. Or worthless. Depends how you look at it. Chat, are you having fun? I'm having fun. No, it's just got to take care. Doodle with the cows with 250
Doodle
bits.
just cheered 250 bits. Cheer 250.
Hey,
Let's
I had a
smash
bit goal. I
Warwick's
don't know if
balls.
I had a bit goal.
Floob HKGCFDSKJNLKKHJJGFDHFDSJHVJH.
TTS. You didn't have to say every letter, but thank you. Thank you for your work. Doodle, thank you for 250 bits. That is 5 things happening in the game chat. Who was to add more chaos to the game? Every 50 bits, something happens in the game. You've got a minute to get the balls in. And the Lagoon. I like Lagoon. Lagoon's fun. You can get your balls in, feel free to. And to play, you SMS rent target, space, and then someone's name. Wide with 100 bits.
Wide
And we
Ride 83 just cheered 100 bits.
We have started
Cheer
another-
100. Let's see how TTS pronounces this size SIZE a size A.
There you go. Do some testing. Why have I got 100 bits? That is 7 things happening in the game. 7 things in the game, chat. Can we add any more? Void Enjoy Lurk. Can we add any more before the game starts, chat? 100 bits. We'll start a hype train. 50 bits, we'll get something in the game. Add more of that, like you did 1,000. That'd be 20 things, I think. Is that how maths works? Yes, 20 things. But chat, if you're ready. Nice calming waters before the storm. Chat. Ah, my goodness me, bye!
Warwick with £3 and said chaos. What the
Void, hope work goes well. Thank you for the free.
so much.
Thank you.
3.
Bye. Thank you for the free. Right, chat. Good luck, everybody. Off we go. Oh, there's so many things dropping in the game. Oh my god. Right, here we go. Target Wafflewick. Oh, target Warwick. Target Warwick. Target Warwick. Target Dinneretta. Bite salty. All right.
Laser.
No, who got laser? Someone got laser. Who got laser?
Healing ring. You're it.
We're now all focused on Axel. Sorry, Axel. And we're all getting healed. This is interesting. Han got neon.
Size ring. Size up. Got a size up situation. Size up. Size up. Healing ring. Size ring. Size up. Size up. Size up. Size up. Size up. You're it. Size up.
I'm still alive.
Size up.
And I didn't even die in that. That's the most shocking thing. I'm still alive. Oh.
You're it. Size up.
What is this game? Oh, buy waffle. Oh. My own bot. It's not the first time either. It's not the first time Wafflewick. I think they got me. Oh, buy Wafflewick. Wafflewick's had enough. Chan. Why are you not on the? What are you not doing?
We have a winner.
Where did the what? What was that game? What was that game? OJ, take care. What was? So, what happened was nothing has happened for ages, and then because all the size, all the bits and stuff. By the way, hype train also ends. By the way, if you want to add any more, everything happened, and there's a tornado and laser, and like 20 people, I think like 20 or 15 people got eliminated all at the same time. I was still alive. Then Wafflewick got me, and then for some reason, Chan and everyone else decided to battle on the outskirts of the fucking thing. Anyway, Chan, well done. You are a winner with 3 eliminations. Most damage was drag. Anyway, let's do that one again because I like this one. Anyway, chat. That's what you can do with bits. 50 bits cause chaos. There was so much going on. I didn't even have a chance to even say what's going on. Anyway, chat, get your balls in. You haven't already. And also, you want to get any bits in, cause any more chaos, feel free to. Because that was bloody wild. Am I in? Where am I? Oh, I'm hiding. There I am. There I am. I mean, the shark did pretty well, considering. And then Wafflewick, my bot got me. So that's a bit harsh. But yeah, my Wafflewick's got me a few times, I think. They are definitely on leaderboard. They've got me at least a couple times, I think. Can't remember how many times exactly. But yeah. This will probably be our last one, chat, because I'm a bit tired. And I've got work in the morning. So, but hopefully you've had fun today. I've had a lot of fun. A lot of chaos. So thank you for being here, chat. I appreciate it. Doodle with the 200 more lasers!
Just cheered 250 bits. Cheer 250 more lasers.
Like over to 50. Let's go. Insert creative message here. That's creative enough. Thank you. Thank you for doing the 50 bits. Doodle. Like kind of thank you for the 50. That is 300. That is 6 things happening in the game. Chat, can we get any more chaos in the game happening? This will be our last one. I'm really ending a bit earlier than usual, but I am tired. It's hamstring for almost a week, and I don't want to burn myself out again. And I've laughed a lot and a lot of fun times, but I need to rest because I've got work in the morning. So if you want to cause any chaos, this is now the time to do it, chat. Got 30 seconds. Wide with the 100 bits. One last dollar message.
Just
Thank you very much.
100 bits.
And we're to Hype Train.
One last dollar message.
6 times now. Wafflewick, you fucking bastard. Me too. It's 11 p.m. here Wednesday morning to get up before Faye. Yeah, I've got to work at 9, but I'll be up a bit earlier to get some stuff sorted out. So I probably should get a good night's sleep. I won't, but you never know. Chat, close to Hype Train as well. If you want to cause chaos, this is now the time to do it. But why I think 100 bit, that is 8 things, 8 things, 9 things. I can't count. Candlewick. Right, chat. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, me. Here we go. Oh, I love those popping noises. All the things happening in the game. Right, what's going on? What's going on? Right, I'm a good old little shark. Sharky.
Black hole.
Oh, good, a black hole. Oh, God.
You're it.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Sky beam.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Are we good? Are we good?
Size up. Black hole. Tornado.
There's so much going on.
You're it.
Right, no one's eliminated, though.
Size up. Size up. Size up. Size up. Size up.
So loud.
Size up.
So loud. Warren got Shelly. Fan got Bite. Dinner actually got Material. Why is this so loud?
Sky beam.
Why got Panda? Grumpy got Zoe Owl. There's a poo. I ran into the poo.
Size up.
Like I got Grumpy. I'm still alive. I think the shark does well in this water. Like I got Chan. Oh, God, what's going on? Oh. Warwick got Doodle. Doodle's out of there. Sorry, Doodle. I'm not that sorry, but you know. But you did target me, so it's only fair. Wide got light colour.
Laser.
Who's got laser now? God, who's got laser now? Oh, I'm now targeting my bot. That's good. Fan got Hun. Hun is gone. Sassy got Drag. Oh, I'm jumping. Oh, I'm bashing everyone here. Oh, I'm battling my bot.
It's a top 10
My
situation.
bot. Warwick got Wafflewick. Fan got Drifter. I'm with 3 eliminations. Same as Fan. I like the shark map. I like the shark cosmetic. It's working well. Right. We need more chaos, chat. I think we need some more chaos. Fan got wide. Good work, Fan. Good work. Your ads! No! I'll pause it. I'll slow it down. Sorry. I'll slow it down, Fan. Sorry. I tried to time ads not playing now. Sorry. That's my bad. I'm going to time it. Or try to freeze it. You're back. Oh, that was quick. Am I still alive? Zion? Yes, you are. You are. It says on the top right leaderboard. Where am I going? Where am I going? Fan got sassy. Where am I? Oh, my God. Warwick, what are you doing? Right, we're back in. We're back in. We're back in, chat. We're back in. There we go. Right. I've got Fan, Warwick, Dinneretta, Chicken, Axel, Neon, and Zion are the 7 left. Dude.
Black hole.
Oh, Fan got Dinneretta got Axel. Oh my God, Fan. It's been Fan with 7 eliminations, Chicken, Neon, and Zion with 0. Zion is still in there. Zion and Z and chicken and fan. Fan, go back in the map. Oh, who went out? Oh, chicken. Waffle, we got chicken. You are killing everybody. You're gonna get. Hopefully, if you win, you get a lot of points. But someone has a laser though, so Fan gets Zion. Oh, 8 eliminations. Will they get that 9th one? Oh,
we have a winner.
Fan with the 9 eliminations. You had the laser. There we go. Damn, that's going to be a lot of points. 9. That's a good looking number. 12,340. That's a lot of points. Although not as much as someone else got. Where was it? Was it shared in Discord? I think it was it? That's a lot of points. Where is it? Yeah, Panda got 12 eliminations and won and got 49,002 points. It is possible, yeah. I think that if Gemma, yeah, I think Gemma was 10. Yes, that's definitely Gemma at least, yeah. So well done, Fan. Well done. Good work. Very, very, very worthy winner. But yeah, Cyan, Neon, Chicken, all 0. Next place was Warwick. I'll take that. There we go. Well done. Well done. And I think because of that, I get points based on that. I can't remember. Anyway. Yeah, do I get? Oh, that's my. Oh, no, that's streamer. There we go. Season race. That's so many points. 7,400. Oh, okay. That one. You won 0 points. Well done. Anyway, that is marbles, and that is the stream chat. That's the stream. I'm tired. But I have had a good day today. Good day, good vibes, good energy, good fun. And I hope you had fun as well. I mean, if you didn't, tough. I had fun. So that's all that matters. All about me and my own worth. I'm glad you all agree. Hi, Tyler, I'm Dad. That's a good quote. I like that quote. That's good. Nothing naughty in there either. I just learned a cool fun fact. As a proud massive nerd, I need to share it. So Mozart wrote his famous Queen of the Night aria specifically for his sister-in-law, so she has something to show off her range with. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's nice. What a nice little fact at the end as well. Anyway, that is me done with today, chat. That's me done forever for today. You'll never see me again on Monday. Ever. On the March 24th, Monday, 2025, you will never see me on this day again. And Ducky does turn into a bitch. She really does. So yeah, hope you had a fun day, chat. I had a lot of fun today. I had a super lot of fun. Yeah, good vibes, good energy, good chaos. We are back on my channel on Thursday. But we are playing some Strixhaven on Striker Slice channel tomorrow or Wednesday morning. Opens Warwick's picture on Discord. Oh, really? My picture? What are you talking about? I clicked on a different page and back, so technically you saw you again. Hi, Drag. Welcome back. Happy to be here, my dude. Take care. No, take care as well. Oh, no. That's past Warwick. That doesn't count. That doesn't count. You lot just want to be, clever. That's all you want is, all you lot just want to be clever. I see through you. Why did that play? Let's open up and just click back, say yes. I don't know what happened there. That was very odd. Whee! But yes. Only I matter. Nothing else matters in live chat. Yeah, that's it. I got nothing else to talk about, chat. I'm tired. I'm drained, but in a very good way. So thank you for being here, chat. I do really appreciate you all. You're all pretty cool people. Had a good vibe, good energy, good times. And I hope you did as well. I genuinely mean that. You may see through us, but you're stuck with us. Yeah, but you know what? You're stuck with me. Actually, you're not actually. You can just turn to another channel, so it's fine. You can actually do what you fucking want. It's actually completely within your power. So, yeah. We're like ghosts. You never fucking leave me alone, do you? Thank you today, chat. Thank you today, chat today. Thank you. Thank you today, chat. Today, thank you. I had a lot of fun. What are they doing? What are they doing? Just mute that. You really do live in my head. Today, thank chat you? No, thank chat. No, thank chat you. No. I'm trying to see who's doing what at the moment. I'm doing a lot of repo this week, so I don't want to raid anyone who's playing repo. I know who saying hi to. Right, chat. Raid message. Please copy it if you can. Anyone who is subbed, you can copy the googly eyes one. Anyone without a sub, you can use the one of the hearts. I would appreciate, generally, if you can copy the raid message. Say hi to our people we're about to raid into. In your head, zombie. Yeah, that's it. Chat, thank you for a good laugh, good vibes. I appreciate you all very much. We're going to go raid the one and only One Topic, who are just watching some videos of stuff. Don't know what they're doing, they're just watching videos. Anyway, we're going to say hi to OT, because OT is streaming, and they've been streaming a lot lately, and you can say hi to them. So please copy the raid message if you can. I'm going to go lie down, because I need to, and tidy some stuff up. Tessa's being bad, Mosley. Excellent. Love that. Every time the music video gets me. But honestly, thank you for today, chat. And a lot good vibes, good energy. Really appreciate you all. Thank you for allowing me the space to take time for myself. We're not quite there yet, unfortunately. There's still a few things to deal with, but I'm just trying to take it day by day and hoping that we'll get some normality in the future. Hopefully this week. Hopefully things, touch wood, will go according to plan. If not, that's okay. But just to say thank you for your support and energy. It does mean a lot to me. I see you in Discord, seeing messages, and just thinking of me when I'm feeling my lowest. I do really appreciate it. It helps more than I will ever say. Because I won't ever say, because I don't want to be nice to you. So if I start being nice to you, then you start telling other people that being nice. And then, there's a whole thing. So, So fuck you all. Fuck your dreams. Fuck your nightmares. But no, chat, I appreciate you all very much. Please take care. And we'll see you hopefully on Thursday. If not, have a great rest of your week. We'll see you in Discord or socials. Check out my videos. Come out Tuesday and Thursday. Anyway, mwah. Fuck you.